strong amanu nyamuri. Amano magbo photo gbana molo. Daniel Fomakpo. Yakuba hanene maono nogalo.
Alele Daniel Fomakpo. Yakuga nana maono noge.
Evi amelesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magbo photo gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo. Yakuba hanene maono nogalo. Alele Daniel Fomakpo. Kunya gbana nana maono nogalo. Evi amelesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magbo photo gbana mala Daniel Fomakpo. Yakuba hanene maono nogalo. Oh, wagaba nyabazo ajeye. Nyabazo ajeye. Lokomi ajibu magawa. Oh, wagaba nyabazo ajeye. Nyabazo ajeye. Lokomi ajibu magawa.
Yo, mpola mekwa gbendi madozo na miva mi afendi ona le ba tiwiji toni magboy ga wezo to na mi medako na mi abale ke mi wore kapa plim le egba to hame po gandre tututu me dako na mi abale ke mi mako mi afeti bi ko dare to buware ko mi abe ke mi anon kosem le mi anu mi ankosem le Facebook ha mi don kujibe ba TV for thread alu link nko jemana ne aswasio like share comment that's how we do it da na miakpom le Facebook mi jibe na dogbana mi na do susu agbana mi you give us some high, give us some high, give us something beautiful. Let's just know that you are there. Na ho link video hollow share it, post it on a timeline, put it on your status and now on ma ko ke ba mi anchi kamikata mi du ko ha tum dete Avengba TV le Jim Fuga Hostel, the whole Technical University, I'm about to never water in the beer, Jim Fuga Hostel, hostel, I'm going to Avengba TV, le Tony McBoy, and Yamia Plum. I don't know, was so Tamasuso, but I showed them the +233 242 670 773 +233 242 670 773 Machli. Consider que vai ma mako bada sharo chomiano viaro que miano kosam la ka togo ma plato wow do ma hi mo English mnogo ya tanglo be fan ma tanglo be do voice message rami ko mi foga ala be nya a wo dodoro chonchi ala we duona as wo nko ta ehia be miano kachacha me ehia be kado do mana no miado me ehia be oha ni kanyo susua na diaglo alaba wona na irengo don kuji habe nyata kperenchi ole wo pe asichanya ome nyata kperenchi ole wo pe bubludo dome na emiankosem ye na kpoba ye echanashi alo ye le ajodo wona ademe ke ejibe mikata mia akperemia no lonchi alaba nya na duona senko o famia we na ode mi ko je na okwe na yo number yo ke je jam leti yaji gba ochogbe o do matore shade ke na yo kwa mi wo nko mi tetegrencho na la huafia ya la bobwe na tremia ncho premia pa camera ala miana mi ka jamnele ni kanye o adodo na akbaduaro da na ma mi aje egba pa wona ko ma bale ke mi to mi nyana mi je wona ko ma mi wona mi pa motivational message alumina mi pa inspirational segment ma me mi blona mi ke mi akodon se mi aro ki alo nya ke mi aklo mi aro ki le nkakame da egba to me nanaga mi asi pire ko kene mi zona ko mi kpona ka nya jojo ke kakare mi pa nya ya apology le ntome nya yo kenye hachi ashision le hong to mafia bla muganto kata mi tenaronchi ke ne mi wovo mi gazona rengo ganare nkenye nya jojo to cho chachamle ya pala to cho kataji da mi na le website vovovo kenye mi apesa star site yo ke mi kpobe o na ntepola nya jojo ngomrome alawe nyo ke ojim nyo kenye mi ojim le ntomo kata ma mi nana mi esena nenema tututu mi ga egba to oge makana po ganyia nya jojo yo ke nye dunyawo nyajojo ke miaƒe dua katã godo ʋeʋe dua katã godo mi gena ɖe wo me dzodzro me ke mi mɔkpɔm ne NDC-tɔwo kple NPP-tɔwo be ge ɖe miadze gba ale be miadzro miaƒe nyawo me ta eyawo katã dzim le Ƒenyigba TV ƒe ŋdi wɔna me ke enye tɔni magbe miakplɔ ge tso fifia va se ɖe gawo ɖo ŋku dzi be kpekpeɖeŋu yi ke nate ŋu ana mie ne nana ame aɖe nase miaƒe ŋkɔ kpekpeɖeŋu yi ke nana mienye be na tsaka kpakple mi ni ke miate ŋu awɔ akɔ tu mia ƒe denyigba mia denyigba ƒe dɔwɔƒewo mia denyigba ƒe nuteƒewo yiwo ke wɔ mi la enye be mi katã miawɔe wɔ nyo me sia ƒe wɔ nanɔ ewɔ me nenemae wòdze be wònɔe mata ne mɔkpɔkpɔ va be na ɖo adze kpakple megabo ya mete ŋuƒogo alo mete English gbeŋlɔgo alo ma ɖe wɔ ge ho alo ma ɖe tɔŋlɔ ga ɖo ɖa ho me nenema wòdze be miawɔe mɔ edze mi katã miaƒe wɔ nenɔ wɔ me ta egbea etɔ nenɔ vovo miaƒe wɔna exɔ kɔsia ɖeka tututu egbea nye kɔsia ɖeka ke wɔna adze gɔme mawo ƒe ameveve ma wɔna miagbɔnɔ ge tegbe ta ɖo ŋku dzi we nui ke miawɔ wònyo nui ke miawɔ ʋe dukɔ nakpɔ tutu ɖe dzi nui ke miawɔ ʋe dukɔ nakpɔ ŋgɔ yia ye koe wòdze be miawɔ eta medo ŋusẽ o ŋdi abe na wɔ ɖeka kpakple me ale be edzo kple agbe nanɔ egba ƒe wɔ na me yo ma yi ɖe miaƒe inspirational segment ale be miakpɔ nke nye miaƒe inspirational message for today egba ƒe inspirational message ele kpi ɖe ko and mexlẽ ge le English gbe me kpa afi mage ɖe English mage ɖe ƒe gbe me so this our inspirational message for today. That's the message I would like us to get inspired with, and that is stop being afraid of what can go wrong. Start being excited about what can go right. Stop being afraid of what can go wrong. Start being excited about what can go right. In our work, we a lot of times get concerned about things that may go wrong. The areas that we may fail, the areas that we may flutter, the areas that we may fall. And that is the single reason why so many of us do not try. So many of us do not act out what we believe. So many of us do not act out on our inspirations and the ideas that come to us. Remember that ideas are fluffy. Ideas are fluffy, and when they come to us, they vanish into thin air if not executed. So this morning, understand that whatever is coming to you, whatever is coming across to you as an idea or inspiration or anything that you need to do today, stand up and act on it and believe that things can go right. We don't have to believe what people think and feel, the critics, the naysayers, and all the negative people with negative energy surrounding us, and think that we'll not do what we have to do. Take a bold decision, act out today what you believe, and make a move. What if it goes right? What if that business decision works? What if you resigned, started a business, and it became successful? What if you contested and you won? What if it goes right and rather wrong? So men are keen to believing what goes on around them. Men are keen to taking on the temperature and the energy surrounding them. But you can also change the energy. You can also change the temperature. You can also create a new environment for yourself. And that is how we start our week today. Nyasala modo is on me. Vamia po azon is also Adam woman. Anyake mi kokwa azon ya legba anyake mi kokwa klomia kyo le egba me. Mbegano vovom be ngo atenwa gblo. Mbegano vovom be ngo matenwa ayire monyu tojio. Ke koji sebe atenwa jobe ne da fo eke biada. Ngo atenwa nyo. Ta ajimya no miakwe bia ma hia yi be ke na ngo va enwede. Na ngo va enwede. Nya no miakwe bia ma ke na ngo yi nwede. Mi no miakwe bia ma ke na ngo yi nwe. Ke na vide va na ngo va chofo de. Ke na ga va de. Ke na hia va de vide. Ne mi tamabu mcho leke ngo atanyo ngwa ananya gbe. Na wo nwa ye mega nyo. Na dafo ye mega de view hade. Dukuna strong chwale ko ma woni un alaba megere menya be afode de agbagba jeje aja de vi ma mi we ro gbagba alaba gbagba je ocho ojibi ata ojanyin ocho ojibi ata ojanyin mejiji go wana solution ge akene gbewe ma gbagba ro ko ma gbagba je ko me na ne ke wo ke kon ke wo meno alo wo mi to inye gena bona na ingbaji. Stop being afraid of what can go wrong and start getting excited about what can go right. And that's how we start the show. Yo, mi agere ya pa nya jojo gba lo me mi akpo nkawe ji nkawe chachamle mi apa banu kata me ndia ke abale ke mioni na akpo le ote TV ji fia TV ya ke man galifia ke ga mtape ke wo me mi le wo le hogbam ta manye mi apa jijin ba wo me liyo lo ka na gblom me manya na gblom akogbo na ne le mi apa to ma pa ngba TV enya fi kana se nya jojo adojo le nya jojo le nya tepe me enma jojuro yikenya nya tepe fi na so le etai na to kore mi anchiro le na ma ke mi ma nya jojo ba le are to tu ore pom le mi apa nto me ke baba jem ngolom ba o chogba sakplekele aba ho iden da mi jago ma chofia fi ke ni va ro fia de ke mi ga kpo bubu ami ko ga pere anchifa hodwa ko tumemile amu nto kata ko tumemile da mi jago ma cho ho ide. Saudi Arabia's transformation inspires global confidence enyen banto kpo me milafia. Saudi Arabia's transformation inspires global confidence. That is one story there. Saudi Arabia, where du koma pangoyi, yepa kalili, bele du koma pa ga, ike ubak polen ke keoma nyena ne ke nyakporen ga de ne amagere. Ke fatal ice shooting triggers protest. Fatal ice shooting triggers protest. Me, Emma Kalanget Bidako. Fatal ice shooting triggers protest. Tuare Yokoda. ICE toyo Kenya Immigration and Customs Enforcement to America. Onye America Jonah. Ono na century. Miapo Digisrafo Pakwe. Miapo Agbalalao. Dichigbalalao Tuare Koda. Le America. Nyongwade. Ma Gavana hunya alo maso regime la America to come na ba amobiji le ope jibibidem jiruru fiam le chachale sirikyo jitami gekanya ma hakireko. Man kills brother wife over casual dispute. Mchuare wu f novia yantoto novia plus rande hunya huare ke yijile yikakacha migagre nyama mekwireko ke suspects arrested and victims and skates ole amefilaro lo abama maton le sound tome alawe ole povito bashima kama yoko lalo ameko fi ko joina na kamo amaha elegbana pafia ke nyaro ke lagbana ha menye. Mahama government pledges 100 fire engines to boost fire service. Mahama government pledges 100 fire engines to boost fire service. MPP confident of winning Ayawaso East seats. Ken Ofreta rejects diplomatic help. NDC disputes Ashanti Regional Parliamentary results, and Baumia pays respects to late father of former Nkwanta North MP. Da New York bomimilele fiake ma aje wokhle gome. Okay, miaje gocho Mahama ji. Banto ma kaje mafuma. Mahama government pledges 100 fire engines to boost fire service. That's the first story here. Jidu dua pe nola alo tu koplola John Dramani Mahama dong bebe ye buoma lo fare kanage fire service to mi apajochi do boko the Ghana National Fire Service is set to receive a significant boost with the delivery of 100 new fire engines as pledged by John Dramani Mahama According to the chief fire officer, the move is aimed at enhancing this service's capacity to respond to fire emergencies across the country. The announcement was made as part of the 2026 budget statement and economic policy presented by the finance minister, Dr. Kasalato Force, and the minister emphasized that the retooling initiative forms part of the government's broader commitment to strengthening emergency response systems and improving national safety infrastructure. The Ghana National Fire Service, has been facing challenges in responding to fire incidents due to inadequate equipment. The new fire engines and modern equipment are expected to significantly improve the service's effectiveness in protecting lives and property. Ta amai kenye Chief Fire Officer Edwin Echo Blankson Epung Eglobe Jidudua Edashi Jidua di tomabeyo nayo wabalo fire kayo ko do ene obi a Chief Fire Officer abahu na ne lo shifia abahu bla him about ne constituency 270 something elemiashia. I think higher 100 fire engines will be a good one. So I just rather engine nama bo on juchi huo on juchi huo juchi dopa alabo tako wo per doy. Your NPP confident of winning Ayawaso East seat. NPP confident of winning Ayawaso East seat. NPP. So we have second Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Andrew Esiama, has expressed confidence that the New Patriotic Party's chances of winning the Ayawaso East by-election, describing it as a test for the National Democratic Congress, and the seat became vacant following the death of NDC MP Nasir Taure Mahama. Da Taure Mahama akaku kwashira kava yodi oba fidago di Taure Mahama fejia alo parliamentary city kajiono amanye so takbe bamanola NPP to gbogboma yo kwese ba Ayawaso East seat ikaji Nasir Taure Mahama no afi buta nchocho aho di aba fidagbe na yoshi mahogolosi yo Ken Ofori Ata kajajama fia enya dranya de majogami bona na poganye tanya salana no toji Ken Ofori Ata o gbepere nsa gbepere ko na na mela America du koma gbebe mo gbepere wa hogo pire ko nyama gboma gbana lema. Ghana's ambassador to the United States, Victor Emmanuel Smith, has revealed that the former finance minister, Ken Ofori Atta, has declined diplomatic assistance while in the custody of the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement. According to the Ghana Embassy in Washington, Ofori Atta refused to meet with consular officials without his lawyers present, and the embassy has confirmed Ofori Atta's detention and stated that it has taken steps to verify the circumstances surrounding his arrest. And the Ghanaian diplomat had formally contacted the detention facility to request access to Ofori Atta, but he declined to engage with them without his legal representatives. Miapa ji dudua pe amakpepa lo du kopola John Dramani Mahama pa me chacha toke ke America du come ke na America du ne amade la America du come ke na ne peke ojebo po le du kopola tefe ko enkonye Smith Victor Smith no gbana dare do ajagbo plombo yo jagba be okpere Ofori Atta nchila be nyambo lo Ofori Atta miapa gaji pola kokwo Ken Ofori Atta ike vala America du come ke mjichin la Ghana ike fashi jidudu dejistrafo osu ko li ko dare wopo amole pa alo gahome fifila ke miape du kokplo la amakpekpe tohe ke l'American ambassador Victor Emmanuel Smith be yo jagbagba be yo terenchi ala be yo ne peperen ke yo na la be Ghana vi ke le beta du come yi ke ngwachi kona alo vala ya drum alo ipa gbe ba don ba chi America to we asima la be yo gba lo mo de no ro ko yo pe na renchi Ofori Atta be me le claro be adoku pakple mi ambassador pe amadodo wala be lo ya me lenchu So press release, statement by the Embassy of Ghana, Washington, D.C. on the detention of Kenneth Nana Yaufureta. Takbira kwa press release ala shinya logbane ke His Excellency Victor Emmanuel Smith mlo ba mi kaka le nyajojo kaka po kata. The Embassy of Ghana in Washington, D.C. can confirm that Ghana's former Finance Minister Kenneth Ofori-Atta, Mr. Kenneth Nana Yao Ofori-Atta, Mr. Kenneth Nana Yao Ofori-Atta has been taken into custody by Immigration and Customs Enforcement in the United States. Upon receiving this information, the embassy undertook the necessary steps to verify the circumstances surrounding the matter. Following confirmation, the embassy formally contacted the relevant detention facility to request access to Mr. Ofori-Atta in order to provide consular assistance in line with established diplomatic and international protocols. The embassy was informed by the facility that the detainee declined to engage with consular officials at that time without his lawyers present. The Embassy of Ghana remains in contact with the appropriate United States authorities and will continue to follow the matter closely to ensure that Mr. Ofori-Atta's rights are totally respected. Ambassador Victor Emmanuel Smith. Atagbana Ambassador Victor Emmanuel Smith nglo kpire ko gbogbomba yo saba yo le kan Ofori-Atta ba doyo wana shaye na yo tere amalela ochi alaba yo bianka tututu tai o le kan Ofori-Atta ba yo pakpere sha pakpere ke yo ni abadumefi ba odogolo kwa ashimalo alo trogbo ba Ghana yo jagba ba yo gaka ke ba me ka we adogo kula mara kola ba ipolo mono nye maimo tanya nyanya yo kodare ya faloji. Okay, mi kuna nyawo joge mi manya tanka na fiong lo bana kodare ya mo vita mi se bolle che no Ofori-Atta tane che no Ofori-Atta be magodoga embassy officials wo na lo amele nchioji nyakele nyama ha nke nyanya NDC MPP pama papo Richard Akpesuke Egboyenoge Egba alaw sapajaga baha ihan no boni opum cho anyanchi cho pakleva alaw nyata pe kutu le malo musosro alungba kuku de toike le nyancha nyakporabe nya akpelo gboha yo. NDC disputes Ashanti region parliamentary results. Jara Mosquito, Asedun Ketia, national chairman na NDC Panotatak Mafia, Egakonyaro de Tume. The National Democratic Congress is contesting results of the 2024 parliamentary elections in the Ashanti region, claiming that they won 12 seats, contrary to the 8 declared by the Electoral Commission. The NDC chairman, Johnson Asedun Ketia, expressed discontent with EC's decision, citing irregularities that affected the outcome. All right, so kwa nyama imi pokpo mafia cho 1957 news kwa anu ye komi adari goglombe Asedun Ketia goglombe akwa na yimida le yike yivaima NDC du jile sota pe pengto sota pe pamechanto mewievem sota pe pamechanto mewievem gaka omenyiko wokhle alo resort alo akoda mechomo omenyiko edowala be enyava kude ntu abome nenchenye Asedun Ketia ko isebe nenye de wonayo monkpokpo be wokhle amechia mechungu kata na donhi na yo guji alo yo khwese be te ko men mamna ke ko te ko mo khno ka yo NDC to jiruge akanya ma ba zo dura yo ga khenchi ka ba vuna nya ba se fiene eta o beke ame yiwo ka tso Ashanti ntoma so takpe hame na yiwo wo sugbɔ va le ke wodze be sugbɔ no asi ɖum ketia ƒe enyawo ma kɔkɔanu yekoe do ɖa tso 1957 news. All right. Miatrɔ yi ɖe Saudi Arabia nya dzi. Saudi Arabia nya megbe be enya etɔ̃ ɖe kpɔtɔ yi ke me ŋutɔ ge tsatsa ko maxɔ dome tsotso. Ok, me yi ɖo li na ta miakpɔ fatal eye shooting kple ame aɖe ke wu ŋutɔ nɔvia kple esrɔ̃ quickly. Tens of thousands of people took the streets in cities across the United States on Saturday, demanding justice for Rennie Nicole Good. Rennie Nicole Good, a 37-year-old mother of three who was fatally shot by the Immigration and Customs Enforcement agent in Minneapolis. The incident has sparked widespread outrage and calls for the removal of federal immigration authorities from local communities. And according to Minneapolis Police Department, Good was shot by ICE agent Jonathan Ross on Wednesday while she was in her vehicle. Witnesses described the scene as chaotic, with Good's car backing up slowly before proceeding forward, at which point the agent fired 3 shots, killing her. The shooting has reignited debates about ICE operations and the Trump administration's immigration policies. ICE violence is not a statistic. It has names, families, and futures attached to it, and we refuse to look away or stay silent, said Leah Greenberg, co-executive director of Indivisible. Ta oga wa me boviare le Minneapolis anko nye Nicole Good ngowo otu ebe neto yoto wa imagbe vie ga irango kasha miakpoko o detue Jonathan Ross enyameke detua Jonathan Ross enyameke detua yowi nia eheve seseve na me bovio le America ŋutɔ ma le gbegbe e ganye nyare ke ganye enya totui eyo ɖeka ɖe kpɔtɔ ko ma xodo tsotso. Man kills brother wife over cashew farm dispute. Atsi agble ƒe hunyahunya ɖe alo ŋgɔ masamasa ɖe na be ŋutsu aɖe wu srɔ̃ kple ŋutɔ enɔvia. A man has been arrested in Brekum, Ghana's Bono region for allegedly killing his brother and sister-in-law over a widespread cashew farm. The suspect, identified as Emmanuel Yebua, ambushed his brother and wife with a cutlass, leaving them with severe injuries. They succumbed to their injuries while receiving treatment at a health facility. And according to the Ghana Police Service, the attack was triggered by a long-standing disagreement over ownership of the cashew farm. The victims were on their way to the disputed land when the incident occurred. The police retrieved the cutlass from the scene, which is being used as evidence. Emmanuel Yebua was arrested and remanded into police custody on January 3, 2026 by the Berekum Circuit Court, presided over by Osei Kofi, for attempted murder and causing harm. With the victim's death, the charges are expected to be upgraded to murder. Takbirekwa. The kaji yare dike nkwenye Emmanuel Yebua eja ye tosron ble enovia be vina gbe nke he nyave ebe agble yike nye cashew atsi agble aɖe yike nye vazu ʋiʋli yakple efo dome be na be wodo dziku janvɔ̃ɖivɔɖi woku wotsɔ mawo kɔ yi ɖe kɔndzi ale be amea Emmanuel Yebua wokplɔe kɔ yi ɖe ʋɔnu be edze agba be awu ame. Dzɔgbevitɔ ne ame yiwo ke wòdzavɔ̃ɖivɔ̃ɖi wova ku ɖe hata wova gbugbɔ trɔ eƒe charge ke ƒom le nɛ alo fɔ̃ yi ke bum le va zu amewula. Eyawoe nye nya yiwo ke to paa ŋutɔ le howi ɖe ŋdia maxɔdome tsotso kpui aɖe ne meva miayi ɖe Ghana dukɔ gogodo me akpo ŋkawoe ga tsatsam tɔni magbɔe nya miakplɔ me gake asi wo TV ŋuti o megbɔna.
Amano magba photo bana molo. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo.
Alele Daniel for my po. Yakuga nana maono no ge.
Evi amalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Alele Daniel for my po. Kunya bana na maono no galo. Evi amalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Alele Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Ebi amalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Alele Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo.
Alagbe papa.
Amalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. America matuo. 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 Alala Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Yamalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Alala Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Oh, yamalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Alele Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Ebi amalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Ta strong amano nyamure. Amano magba photo bana molo. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo.
Alele Daniel for my po. Yakuga nana maono no ge.
Evi amalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Alele Daniel for my po. Kunya bana na maono no galo. Evi amalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Alele Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Ebi amalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. Alele Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo.
Alagbe papa.
Amalesho mukata so amalemu. Amano magba photo bana mala. Daniel for my po. Yakuba hanana maono no galo. America matuo. 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 Anale danya famapa. Yakubane namo no balo. Yawale so mukata so amane mu. Amano magbo foto bana mala danya famapa. Yakubane namo no balo. Anale danya famapa. Jonya bane namo no balo. Oh, yawale so mukata so amane mu. Amano magbo foto bana mala danya famapa. Yakubane namo no balo. Strong amanu nyamuri amanu magbo foto gbana molo Daniel
Yo, nukpala me do we zonami. Va miaƒe indion aƒe akpa evelia. Akpa ya mi gana nyadojuto tio me mi chana akponka enye hachi ashishan le Ghana doko kaza gloko dome. Eyo kata kami kwa mi hene venami. Yo me miaƒe mchocho kpom le Facebook yameo ke nyanko sem le Vanyigba TV le Facebook miaƒe mchocho kata gbonye vam mo kata xlege deke ma adolemo deke ma chianyo ta gere miaje le Facebook alove na do susu agblo ne mi kata mia kpashire wona nchi awo ne wa nyo donc jiwe Tony Magbo enya mia plom wona nkonye ndiona le Vanyigba TV ke miame mianko sem le Ghana kple gbeta dukɔ ma kapo jesio ke jimia tanto afie acheka paklo nye +233 242 670 miame kle Ghana fia 0242 670 773 0242 670 773 enye number ke jimia tanzo alawe a nya cheka paklo ne le WhatsApp ji ye ne se WhatsApp message wo alo vocal na nyalo na vocal alo nyalo na audio message uke melio bidami 0242670773 0242670773 nama le Ghana wa +233 242 670-773. Enye nomba ke zaganala ako achie kakpa plim. Yo agbe fo jin gbanto pankeke wie eva agbe fo nyaaro enya government pays 1.47 billion to clear energy sector debt, restores World Bank guarantee. Government pays 1.47 billion to clear energy sector debt, restores World Bank guarantee. Euro gagbobo ware 1.47 billion. Gas bontolo. Gamanye 10 trillion cedis. 10 trillion cedis. Ike le gahokoma ke 10 trillion la gahokoma manyala kama yogo gama enye foi ke jokari do fa jiruru pa do pe keta penare jirun afi jo vana miagbo ya ba kadio no na shishi foi ko du gaglaglama wo we ma jiru ahe prosube kachacha ke le mia pa ple wo bang dome na tro agbo President Mahama leaves Ghana for Davos and UK meetings. President Mahama leaves Ghana for Davos and UK meetings. Choi Kavaya Banade Chale Yaponokataji Ikacho Presidential Communications out of Pirako Banagbomba to Kokolado to come Rota Davos, the UK. Out of Bakpa Tokiado Leshimakling Pirako. President John Dramani Mahama has left Ghana for the United Kingdom and Switzerland to attend high-level meetings and at the World Economic Forum in Davos. The president departed Accra on Sunday, January 11, 2026. His first stop in the United Kingdom, where he will meet coordinators of the Accra Research Initiative to discuss plans aimed at Ghana's national development and reform agenda. After the UK meetings, President John will travel to Davos, Switzerland to take part in a session of World Economic Forum, which brings together world leaders, business executives, and policy experts to discuss global economic issues. Dukoprola John Dramani Mahama Zomo Choi Kavai, Rota Europa, Dukome, Gare England, Agavai, the Davos, the Switzerland. Out of Fumao in Akbakbo, Manoge, Adenglacho, April Research Agenda Lo, Du Bugbo, Tuturo, Ona Yoko, Detome, Nchi, Mimokombe, Dukoklola, Ako, Nyanyare, Ako, Agbenami. Barcelona outgunned Real Madrid 3-2 to retain Super Copa de España trophy. Barcelona do Real Madrid G Chovai 3-2 out of Copo Ikenye Supercopa de España Abo Popo Miaonyama. One dead, 37 injured in Bus truck crash at Macron. Okay, I hope the spelling is right. GBCA Goma Darafma. Over Americare Gapu Amablato Vondrado Hobby Vori into le Vuple Tipare Gododume le Macron. One person has died and 37 others have been injured in a road accident at Macron on the Accra-Kumasi Highway. The crash happened on Sunday, 11 January 2026, and involved a 40-seater bus and a manned diesel truck. Both vehicles were moving at the time of the collision, according to the Ghana National Fire Service. Fire officers from the Suhum Municipal Fire Station were dispatched to the scene shortly after the incident was reported. They arrived within minutes and helped rescue victims trapped in the wreckage. The deceased was removed from the bus, while the injured 21 men and 16 women were assisted and taken to the Suhum Government Hospital for treatment. The occupants of the truck were not hurt. The fire service also cleared the road to restore traffic flow and secure the area. The front of the bus was badly damaged, while the truck suffered minor damage. Witnesses said the bus was traveling at high speed before the crash, though the exact cause is still being investigated. And the Ghana National Fire Service said the response shows its commitment to quick and professional emergency report. Le Macron le Gaina Kumasi for Mojia Amare Gaku Amarogbe Agbe Gadon Chime le Gaina Kumasi Moji Alo Kumasi Moji. Boss ade ke mama blanele plak le track alo hukobu ade ke ehia gbona nkpolo alo ntefo kpolo be abu ai kenye passenger bua eno du jal gbogbo ebo ya ma blane so le kwama be pa joko amerika kwon make ama black to vo Andreu Hobby la movo nchi ke joji do va pata alo be ameokata Hobby a ochoko ide konji alo be wo shitromonchi be ono de ke dzotsi dɔwɔƒe be yewo ƒe afi ma ɖoɖo kple nuteƒe wɔwɔ kpakpashakpakpa ko dze be yewo klo mɔ dzi kaka ɖeŋuwo ɖa le mɔ dzi be mɔ naganɔ abe ali wònɔ tsã ne ko katã nakpɔ mɔ va yi efia be yewo dɔ wɔm abe me ke ƒo hehe kple kpakpla ale gbegbe ŋutɔ. Yo míayi ɖe My Joy Online. My Joy Online míakpɔ nkawo míakpɔ fuma. Mahama government clears 1.47 billion energy sector debt restores World Bank guarantee. Egadzedzem afia gama yi ke nye efe yi ke dziɖuɖu aɖu lokoto tso míaƒe ami dɔwɔƒe antsi edzedzem afia ke Mahama departs for World Economic Forum egadzedzem afia dukɔkplɔla ƒe mɔ yewo zɔm yi ɖe Europe dukɔ me yina kpekpe wɔ ge kple dukɔkplɔla vovovowo kple gaŋutinyala gãwo be yeƒe du gbugbɔ gatu wɔna yi ke wòde tome natsɔ fɔ egadzedzem afia hã. Ke national security turns to public cleanup to curb prostitution in Tamale. National security turns to public cleanup to curb prostitution in Tamale. Government pays $393 million in IPP debts as part of energy sector reset. Gayo ka jiru aga ga hekegegle o gadzedzem afia o ke miaƒe edzo dɔwɔƒe adzokari dɔwɔƒe ke 2026 is the make or break year for Ghana's cannabis industry chamber. 2023 is the make or break year for Ghana's cannabis industry chamber. Sanity Africa poll can Ajapong commands majority 52% ahead of MPP primaries. Sanity Africa poll Ken Ajapong commands majority 52% ahead of MPP polls. Yo Sanity Africa poll amaro yo ke obe yo ga danku dunya hehe kple akoda hohli nyawo me gbogbo me fifia ke ne Ajapong e dzedzema ba me ke gbona dziruge le MPP to ba ko ke da go gbona me pideko. Power, dust, and the power of Ken Oforiatta on ice. Maredo Susublo Cho Ken Welelenchi Lagbala Mafia. Beyond the arrest, why fight against Galamsey is failing in the courtroom? Beyond the arrest, why fight against Galamsey is failing in the courtroom? Maredo Susublo Cho Namos wa dono kla mo lam le gidi ba o Galamsey kum ba susui katafi avuyo mimi na kula Galamsey mango mo nya nano yaji le wong ple pe achakpla yo na number ya go mimi le mi Galamsey toma cho ya ta kunyo mimi le. All right, anya national security issue ma le Tamale ike mabe mosesoma mia akuma pireko. National security tends to public clean up to curb prostitution in Tamale. National security operatives in the northern region have adopted an unconventional tactic to their fight against street prostitution, ordering women arrested in Tamale to clean parts of the city's central business district. Okay, Joint News sources confirmed that the operation carried out is in collaboration with immigration authorities targeted areas long identified as hotspots for street prostitution though officials have not disclosed full details of the exercise. The women were seen sweeping streets and collecting refuse in busy commercial areas, a move authorities say is intended not only as punishment but also as a public statement on discipline and urban cleanliness. The action has triggered mixed reactions among residents, while some locals have welcomed the approach as a practical deterrent and a contribution to keeping the city clean. Others have questioned its effectiveness and raised concerns about whether it addresses the underlying causes of prostitution. Beyond prostitution, national security has also intensified its crackdown on drug use in the region, with several arrests recorded in recent operations. Yo le Tamale jogbe jing tuome wo le gbolo si ki dzi gbolo aro labe shai ko sashaza ko wo roko no na piotokpio me ale be ono ŋutsu dzi ke miaƒe dedenono dzikpɔlawo le gbekadzi ŋutɔ me gbɔgblɔm fifia ne yewo lo kɔ yewo tso xa da tso na kplɔ ŋu ta nɔnɔmetata dzedzem le aʋalɔ dzi ŋdia mikpɔ le nyɔnuviwo ale be eyiwo kpɔm le afia ka menye wo katã trɔza ko wodo ɖe awu yewo dɔ fia meɖi asiawo ƒe ŋudodo gake miatsɔe nenema ko ke wobe ne yewo lo kɔ mi wɔ gena la nye be yewo tso xa da tso na kplɔ ŋu nyɔnu sia nyɔnu yi ke le teƒe aɖe yi ke yewo nya be gbolowo ƒe joint wonye gbolowo alo nyɔnu yiwo ke kplɔna ŋutsuwo ɖo nɔ wo ɖokuiwo tra ɖe ŋutsuwo ƒe nɔƒe wonye edzedzem afia ayo míawo hã mi ŋume kum elabe mia ŋdzi le míaƒe ŋutɔ me miakpo leke dziɖuƒe dɔwɔƒewo gbagba dzem be yewoatsi gbolowo ƒe woƒe asitsatsa eɖositsatsa yi ke dzim le míaƒe ŋutɔ me ŋuti ta ne kpɔ videoa kɔa akpɔ be nyɔnuwo ŋu kplɔm enye ɖeko nye mekpɔ ɖeke ƒe awudodo yi ke fia be anye gbolo ava le ke wònɔna le míaƒe ŋutɔ me le amugadzi ŋutɔ me alo gɛ̃ nɔ gake yema nya dzɔdzɔe ta mia atsoe nenema yo madzidzio mega dometsotso kpui aɖeke dometsotso kpui aɖe xɔ ge ale be ma anɔ mɔ kpɔm ne nyamekpekpewo yiwo ke tso NDC kple NPP ƒe emedzroƒewo ŋumekuƒewo ale be wokpe ɖe mia ŋuti miadzro nyame mayi ɖe City Newsroom akpɔ ŋka gadzi ma afi ma kpi ɖe ko City Newsroom Mahama government pays 1.4 billion to stabilize Ghana's energy sector. Mahama government pays 1.4 billion to stabilize Ghana's energy sector. Adzedze mafia gagegle ma yi ke Mahama ƒe dziɖoɖa xe kple sube ame yiwo katã gbagba dzem edzo nam míaƒe dziɖegbegaɖi alo letriki dɔwɔƒea be wo katã wonɔ gbagba dzem be edzo nanɔ vavam wonɔ mamam ne mi katã kana dukɔ me be nya gblɔm mi le eƒe yiwo ke dziɖoɖa ɖu le ŋu gleglegle eƒe yiwo va yi me kple eƒe ya metɔ katã eƒe yi ke yi va yi me tɔ katã wobo xe akpa gãtɔ. Forget the retail takeover. Nigerians pumped $103 million into Ghana's economy. Forget the retail takeover. Ghanaians pumped $103 into Ghana's economy. Amino nya gblɔm ba me ke tso gbeta dukɔ me wɔ fiase gã me ko ta dze ŋu le alo dukɔ dze ŋu abe amewo ke si agbaxɔ gã le gake wo ma dze ƒle kapli ŋu ake minɔ kpɔm minɔ konyi fam aɖo yewo be amewo ke tso gbeta dukɔ me tɔtɔtɔ Nigeriatɔwo va nɔ ƒle kapli si tsam nɔ hoʋlim kple mia Ghanatɔwo gake nyadzɔdzɔ gbɔgblɔm be mi ɖe asi nya ma ŋuti ƒle kapli nya ma gbɔgblɔm le be amewo tso Nigeria gbeta dukɔ me va hoʋlim kpli mi le ƒle kapli si tsatsa me nya ɖeke me ga $103 million yenye ga yi ke Nigeriatɔwo kɔ ge ɖe Ghana ƒe economy me hekɔ tsa asi gama kple eƒe ŋudzɔgawo katã adzɔga yiwo xɔm le kpekpe ɖe dziɖuɖua ŋuti. Ghana's cannabis industry must shift from policy to action in 2026 chamber. Nyaga jiji mafia ma konge kpere ko. Tuya Yebua defense settlement probe accuses AG of spewing untruths. Tuya Yebua penya ke le yakble settlement housing project nchia agava pum ba Attorney General Dokobano press conference on Mevivim. Tampuli MPP remains a national party, not ethnic or religious. Tampuli Boglombe MPP duko kata party onya mocho Ghana duko pasha pala party ame menye xɔseha alo gbegbɔgblɔtɔ ke aɖewo ƒe party onyo woƒe akɔda hoyo blimu le gbakpa dzem ba mo na dekɔ ne ba onya ƒe ŋutinya ƒe roemo. Ayaso is too early for succession to Kabiru gbɔgblɔm be MP ake kpo di ŋtsɔ yi ke va yia ŋtsɔ ƒe sigba ƒe zi ke gablimu le ma me hia ko mo me dze bɔnu ne ma Miracles Ghana experiencing a reverse not a reset. Miracles abaji ƒo ŋtsɔ gbɔgblɔm be Ghana me gbe bi ko imo le mi ŋgɔ ɖeke imo na ke tɔxɛ ɖeke me li ke dziɖua me ke wo wɔ kpɔ edzi gblɔ be no be duturoro yo ke gbere Ghana vi share nchia wa yenye National Health Insurance Scheme le Free Senior High School yo we dito me mododo plus ko tutu le bridge wo me jiru le share we po na ko sabwaji o megbe we mo. We pay 5 firefighters injured in accident en route to fire scene. The Bupe amo bagba firefighters amo kenye duchido fa doro ome atoro o hobby. You know bagba nyamba yo yawa chijo le tepare. Drone technology needed to stop illegal mining in water sources. Western Regional Minister. Yo miapo gatoro for muto majikola ga danyara globe. Fifia yamobu tukui o ke jojom le yamo na mojaka kple nkpokpo kple chacha ƒe wɔnɔta yo hia le do ha mi kono coverage o ma mi kono mo dem no mo lem da re mo ji mi funu ji mi na kpokpo ma e ga hia na yo fia afi galamse unachi ta no ple yamo vi tukui vi mo yo ko keke ma la ba shipo mene be yo zan yo bun alebe yoko awo galamse ƒe avua yo cannabis nyaya kong me majibe majo kire ko kama hodo ma chichoro mi tia ba magbe nyama ko panto alagbonye honorable Richard Akpesuke ike danyam ne MPP to alagbonye mo kpo na ni sitombo gereje alebe nyaje nyama jojogo ma Ghana's cannabis industry must shift from policy to action. In 2026 chamber, the Chamber of Cannabis Industry Ghana has called for a careful and coordinated implementation of Ghana's medicinal and industrial cannabis policy in 2026 to maximize economic benefits while safeguarding the public interest. Dr. Magdaku, Chief Executive Officer of the Chamber, said the new year should mark a transition from policy intent to effective execution following the legislation of cannabis for medical and industrial purposes. This is a year that calls not for speculation, but for clarity of purpose, institutional readiness, and strategic patience. He said it in a New Year message to stakeholders in the emerging cannabis industry. Tak birako Dr. Magdaku ikenya domaga ikakpona jidudu fa do fa ikakpona gbevo dodo le agbosusume kplo zazane amachi kpakple jajra ne gbetaduko megbogbo me fifia fi ke atamavondio ƒe kupapa kple wo ƒe kutsɔtsɔ le agbɔsɔsɔ mea fia ɖo fia hiã be fifia miage ɖe dɔ me menye anɔ anyi ɖe zikpui dzi anɔ gbalẽ ŋlɔm anɔ aɖaŋu ɖom anɔ takpekpo gblɔm menye nya ma gblɔm le fi ŋu aɖo fia ega le atamavɔ ƒe agbledede me ŋkuvɔwo tsɔtsɔ kple woƒe asitsatsa eha kesinɔgoe ale gbegbe ta ƒoe ke me mi le fia dze be mi katã miage ɖe egbawo me age ɖe aʋawo me akpɔ leke miawoe ɖo alebe atamavɔ amatsivɔ yewo manye nu ke ɖeviwo anɔ nonom wova zu tsukunɔ ɖeɖe le sirikia dzo gake miata pɔn ƒe ƒuwo ado le agbɔsɔsɔ me atsɔ ɖe gbetadukɔ me akɔ wɔ atsikewo kple tɔ ahe ŋgɔ yi ve ne dukɔ nyaselawo Tony Magbɔ enye gbagbadzem be yadzro nyadzɔdzɔ totiwo ke zo ha tsia sisiawo ŋu le egbe ƒe ŋkekea me kpli mi yo maxɔ dometsotso kpe ɖe me trɔ va mia adzro nyawo me ɖo ŋku dzi be adzadzroa le dzi le +233 242 670 miate ŋu aɖe miaƒe susuwo agblɔ aɖo ɖe mi hã le miaƒe Facebook stream le Ʋenyigba TV ma yi mava megakasio TV amu
Pomakpo Yakuba hanene maono galo
Alele tanya pomakpo Yakuga nana maono ge
Evi amelesho mukata so amale Amano magbo fodo bana mala tanya pomakpo Yakuba hanene maono Alele tanya pomakpo Kunya bana na maono galo Evi amelesho mukata so amale Amano magbo fodo bana mala tanya pomakpo Yakuba hanene maono Oh, Jeye, never got Jeye, look when you did Magawa. Oh, Grabber never got Jeye, never got Jeye, look when you did Magawa. Tanya from a fire, you burn and I'm on go. If you have a lesson, look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a normal girl for the banana, Tanya from Yakuba and a Maula. Tanya from Equal, Yakuba and a Maula.
I like my papa.
Look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a normal girl for the banana, Tanya from Yakuba and a Maula. May you come at you? 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 I don't know Daniel from Papa. You're the one and I'm all on the road. You know what I show? Look at us, or I'm a name. I'm a normal girl for the Banamala, Daniel from Papa. Yakuba and I'm all on the road. I don't know Daniel from Yupa. Jonagan and I'm all on the road. Oh, the Avalation. Look at us, or I'm a name. I'm a normal girl for the Banamala, Daniel from Yupa. Yakuba and I'm all on the road. Oh, Robert, never got Jay. Never got Jay. Look when I did do my girl. Oh, Robert, never got Jay. Never got Jay. Look when I did do my girl. I don't know. Daniel from Papa. Yakuba and I'm all on the road. If you have a lesson, look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a normal girl for the Banamala, Tanya for me for Yakuba and Namaula. Tas from a Yamude. I'm a normal girl for the Banamolo, Daniel for my pop. Yakuba and Namauna no girl.
Alele Daniel from a pop. Yakuga and a maona no gay.
If you have a lesson, look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a normal girl for the Banamala, Daniel from Yakuba and Namaula. Daniel from my place, Punyaban and Namauna no girl. If you have a lesson, look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a normal girl for the Banamala, Daniel from Yakuba and Namauna. Oh, Robert, never got Jay. Never got Jay. Look when I did my girl. Oh, Robert, never got Jay. Never got Jay. Look when I did my girl. Hallelujah. Daniel from Papa. Yakuba and Namauna. If you have a lesson, look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a normal girl for the Banamala, Daniel from Yakuba and Namaula. Daniel from Equal, Yakuba and Namauna no girl.
I like my papa.
Look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a normal girl for the Banamala, Daniel from Yakuba and Namaula. May you come at you? 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 I don't know Daniel from Papa. Yakuba and Namauna no girl. You have a lesson, look at us, so I'm a Yamude. I'm a normal girl for the Banamala, Daniel from Papa. Yakuba and Namauna. I don't know Daniel from Yupa. Jonagan and Namauna no girl. Oh, the have a lesson, look at us, so I'm a Tasra manu nyawuri. Amano magba foto gbana molo. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono nogalo.
Alele Daniel fomakpo. Yakuga nana maono noge.
Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magba foto gbana mala. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Alele Daniel fomakpo. Kunya gbana na maono nogalo. Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magba foto gbana mala. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Alele Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Ebi amalesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magba foto gbana mala. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Alele Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge.
Alagbe pọpọpọ.
Amalesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magba foto gbana mala. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. America matuo. 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 Alele Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Iyawelesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magba foto gbana mala. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Alele Daniel fomakpo. Jonya gbana na maono noge. Oh, iyawelesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magba foto gbana mala. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Loko nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Loko nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Alele Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Ebi amalesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magba foto gbana mala. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Tasra manu nyawuri. Amano magba foto gbana molo. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge.
Alele Daniel fomakpo. Yakuga nana maono noge.
Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magba foto gbana mala. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Alele Daniel fomakpo. Kunya gbana na maono noge. Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye mule. Amano magba foto gbana mala. Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Oh, wagaba nyabaga jeye. Nyabaga jeye. Lokonya dizumaga wade. Alele Daniel fomakpo. Yakuba hanana maono noge. Ebi amalesho mukata America Matuo. America Matuo. America Matuo. America Matuo. America Matuo.
Yo nyasala belum kalau mendak mana balik ke me ga wo de kapa plem le miapa dunya o majuju o na ike ya jele we bati bi po ndi ona ji medak pani balik mi de miapa lo no fie miapa po ni bati bi po wona ike ji wona ko ko share ka gba ka toni magboye miapa lo wona pa yo nye amako to ya de ke ihanye mwe la wona ji academia ji honorable Richard Agbosuke wezo va panyambati
Tony mezolangu
mwake
kala mi gbogbo de
ya mauta apenu
efe ona yiwa batu mi
ya me
ana agbesese Vanigba TV ha wa shi awe ya
mi baba malaka mi MPP magao mi je baba de kara ka manyaba mi papagre mianchi alabe miapo no kata na akwadulo ta wezo.
You know, MPP as a fraternity, we believe in building businesses. It's a dynamic bobby anyamele Luduwom, maybe a chassis, Akbele, du Conti, du come if you want to work for the we are for it. But the said engineer to Akbele will push you to a standard la. The party, we are good in that. We have built those entities. Seeing this platform, I think it is a good call. The leadership and then your management here should just do the needful, approach some of the big wings in the party. Let me call the support because it helps in building a democracy. So this is the fourth realm of the state. If you build a good media, then you see the accountability will be very easy and then transparent to all Ghanaians. I mean, your media houses, if you can testify, probably we are good in building good relationship with all media platforms and media houses in the country. It is a good call. We are willing to support it for Vanigba TV. Once you approach me.
Deputy Chairman of Atutu TV, 3 over my car, Tamara.
You see, Emadi, we should appreciate it. It was a bad incident here. Okay, see, by then, even as it stands now, MPP as a fraternity, we've decided they will not go on TV3 and all its platforms for some reasons, which may not be as time goes on to be reviewed. But it was something that the party as a whole even spoke about. It was something that many will have you. Like individuals, some temperament, but we condemned it as a party. Any promise they might get jolly any other media houses. From there, but that's nothing of such guy okay any other media platform or any journalists like a within MPP and now John Walala.
Akpe yo nyasalom apoto Richard Agbosuke Kenya regional communications team member na ho na Volta region ye pogbe masewemile. So he's a Volta regional communications team member for the MPP. Yo mi aja wan play Trump mi America mi do nyaun cho mi akon to mo fun akagbatore mi aja wan cho America afi atrova mi akon to ma ala we enya ya nye enya ke mi kata mi akon de nyonyo le Africa kata gologodo kani mi zorango mo ko na ndisi tor ka be ha na ba gareje alwe mi agara tu nyaun. Trump weighs potential military intervention in Iran. President Donald Trump is weighing a series of potential military options in Iran following deadly protests in the country, 2 U.S. officials told CNN, as he considers following through on his recent threats to strike the Iranian regime should it use lethal force against civilians. Trump was briefed in recent days on different plans for intervention. The officials told CNN as violence in the country has led to dozens of deaths and arrests. A number of options presented to the president have centered on targeting Tehran's security services being used to tamp down the protests, the US officials said. Trump said Sunday that Iran called him on Saturday to negotiate. And I'm quoting Trump, the leaders of Iran, they want to negotiate. He said, I think they are tired of being beat up by the United States. Iran wants to negotiate with us. Trump said his biggest concern is violence against protesters. And I'm quoting for the last time, there seem to be some people killed that aren't supposed to be killed. These are violent. If you call them leaders, I don't know if their leaders are just, they rule through violence, but we are looking at it very seriously, Trump told reporters Sunday on Air Force One. The military is looking at it, and we are looking at some very strong options. We'll make it determination. We'll make it determination. I'm not sure what that means. Yo takpira kwa nane jim le Iran duko me vio o basa so den fia duko ala bo chacha siri ki oji jolodon pleto ke nyatakaka I kese mi le nyo duko po nono la klenchi mo ble badagba osrafo wo tuzam ko duko vio po jijio jijimi ke America po duko kula go plomba o mna ya be akre duko ma platu alo yaze jo adidi joroji alo voni ple a chisa sen ke o po duko kula ko plome na didi enya gbanto mi popo mafia avo afoli na nya vo tamajibe honorable nto na gba into nya jojo la nya gba afiga nya dunya hela bagbajembe yagra assemblyman yagra parliament kra le Northton ebe a sit okuje to ablakwa honorable Richard Akwesuka Batoremo.
Tony, see, world politics, although stage here seems it must be of great concern. I'm a politician. You live on this earth. One who my bonala be it have affordable, lodgeable length. About few weeks ago, last week or so, Trump take action there. Venezuela open to Koji. Yes, just right after that, striker arrester. At least countries allow his the warm or his next action will be in those countries, which Iran is Colombia to call Bubualo. Trump over though be human rights, every country to call the Siada, human rights la a very, very serious. Some countries, these big worlds, they have over interest led to call for some personal interest in the war to come out. And now, Nana Jim led to come out. No, at least they'll have a little bit effect level to how they stretch their hands. What was la the come out, being it military forces or even infrastructure development. Many people talk over the Kahanya to come out. That Trump over fear. From the onset, somewhere last year, before our background, Israel play what's the name? Israel play Palestine or Obama or Mona. He spoke to it. I said, he would make sure that would cease because I'm over a some chunk. Yeah, Iran talking about me like this. They would have to come and view to way the protest war. But an analogy you all to come and bella your own jamo. Yeah, you got to see the play the freedom of speech, freedom to demonstrate, freedom to protest. Elle to call the siadema. Because now mama ji ko eduko me vi ho watato akọ agbo hahia ona edukola play other international community so play international players at the IMF, World Bank, World Health Now. Protest, play demonstration, even press release, press statement to Krahan. It is enshrined in their constitutions. I say, Goma. At ane awabi du come via lo ocho ko bi our protest, our demonstration at Krahan. Ko unu no allow ko edibe ya seize while other communities where people know you are maybe fighting against free press. You are fighting against your what you call fundamental human rights. As a nama. To the extent they want to protest war, code to collabo. Ya be a total your to come view bumaga war protest so. Then kata you. Let me know that slam your unti. Then ya let's see on here on one now. Now competition when I can ahwe. Adam akwene wa mashishumi adam ble. Akwa be nyaka gbomo lo because adam de mela me ka ota molo. Ewu mon kokko e ko po ele onu o da kwa na e bai po yo ojo. Tani la afala dem yo pe be no afo e dem la ko yo aye bebe ala ko hanhia be a ko fu pa be yo di ko me vi owi because me on to me was a hobe e do le epen na afi yo atem agbugba awo vote bubu ada wo lai ele bi na na mon popo bi won to e o view so ese go because won la po mon popo ba no o pe I never Ghana go Flagstaff house. I open parliament be all na dojo from the Seattle. We will adam do the Seattle. I don't protest ko aten wawo. Demonstration so. Do call more talk how one in the malo. I'm not talking about protest for a whole month. Even there is most of the developed countries so Krahan those things are the Ghana here. Krahan your premier we wanna protest day. Now all the manyowi. We were few years ago amoloka how we all naked demonstrations day. Akaya. It is enshrined in the constitution. Tana wo dukpela la ko ebe no ima na mo mi yo du come view wa protest evo mi egbo bolo wo here now ese nyama e mo de here now ta obe ya de fi obe ho afo e de mele meje yo onwu alo ke de mele aje yo onwu alo ko bubu ale pelenti ko do ho ima na mo npako ma ho amowu la bama ka mo yo ha ope be no yo ate wa de nu me ko fa gbo ya wono de me na ko fa zo ke kafra amo de tolo wa ko me ba no de wa ko me nyama ne ila nyama sema eta mie no la de mie dukpela di menya de ko va Africa ge ha no ma do oli ele pans tonto apo dukpela lo we onu wona o mele dejemo ga kana du come view to be obi a protest or your demonstration ka ha kwa ola to mo de sia de no asizi wonu do ho ma ga jo because o feel be ele npe dem your governance mene yo all your country blame afọ na nya be nu ye menya nu mi wa ble your country bo do onwe nto na odu come view ele nya mesema ta ite di wole before enya ye ka ha ba it was reported long years ago afi Trump ka ha ba aba kosi the Iran mele fafa mo yo se pobeta pa mawe ami losi eta na be nku other big forces so la onku lo wonti businesses so USK bromile fly open giant businesses so ganda wole Iran tana fa pe be no afo e de mele o vialo ka ha o lega ma post statement ma ehwepa to bi agbo be yo vialo ka ha to vanti amoro ka ha ka fa amoro ka ha o de me shiga amoro kwa bi fiele oji kana hala ko do be menye Iran view no ka ha o aketa na lo du ko ma ho na le do lo wo m lega ma ko kwa they have the right to be protected. They have the right to be protected. The forces here Trump preparing be unleash the Iran to Jila. And you might feel because the story la talking about follow la na me nyabi Iran to president a contact here. They yawa amends ya negotiate ya kwale ya kan atote basa yoleji imla. And that is the emala anya for the onye to na ni yoma ga cho to ala ko because na Iran US take if action let Iran fly somehow some way international globally ala affect Africa which Ghana will also be part as because Ghana as we stand we import some items from Iran and then we also export some items to Iran attack be mi Abdullah bi abiale Trump statement when namenya be Iran to o approach here we negotiate they accept to ma fa abala no waleji ne ma na Iran to no jagba be your waleji the Trump ha wa send ngoma me to ma fa wa va because Venezuela to ha mi pota ne kran halako nya mi ta kpone halako ya fini bu aga ba kpele nti na ya kpola bi world politics be effect you aba have the meji nya tun atote nya wo do nya to ka ke mi no la di no ja ba di you allow for divergent views as nama no ta kwe dem bi o menye yo tete siku susulo ama yo tete kwa atun akroju yo tete kwa idea no yo sio ya mo boto ne le ihe me ya ehwodoko gisebe ho na mele gbebran wo amela atun atitre nya nkuma agbonu bi wo to ni magbo afo ye dem le manya afo onye to ala yingo ya kana wo susu bi ho aye yima asamela ka ogbo yo du come vie to ye vie ye di ukra ha no bi agbanya na yima na do adwa da wo ye ma asewe me kasa ko du ko la shimebe no ma di bi awe run nyima ta adam onye ntema ode be e contact Donald Trump the akporo the your one your thought and then mega escalate into a bigger issue.
Okay, yo nyasala honorable Richard Agbesuke ka form na NPP tole amuganto me baja fia pe egbe masemanyele yo ke mi nyataka kala tumi fia Donald Trump à l'Amérique to koprola tama bumbe ya ze tu ale ya do badagba ore Iran to comme alors ya va la voir tout comme vieux fait jibibio de fia jidua ka oba jidua ma yibi aso gbo de mata Trump oba omawum ale gbogbo do comme vieux amaro mola ha o de maje ji de ata ye momba hanya gbo ya ba de tole fuma ke nyama majomi le yire ko honorable Richard afunga be dakpana Iran ba o jagba ba yo Trump albo gbagba jembe yo wo nya boko albo comme ça na ba wa maro ha ba aw Trump de make wuro nya police na hikam akpama majibe na tomyema dodo mali le hikam to call for tepofu ha bobom ba amona chu to cover wo me agere nya ya me o wo nya onye to cover wo for dodo mali na ma ke America re chunsa doro kishimo ba ya fia da me dale ji ya fia wo ya le re to ko bu wara ba graba i bolo no go America no for me alo no mi ade alo Trump to ale na for maji job na dai ha gbona America to come alo ya America fio lege alo ya America embassy kele yo for to come abba me chama fuma an to he na America de ka fika ige mi ala via
Tony,
meto
you see, du ko godo a mi o mi sign treaty salo. Abe mi dasi agbana lo me okay fine. Nyo du ko habo boyo la ya wadaka. Nyo ha tutu yo hala, nyo ha mi wadaka. Ese nya goma ndi. Aha. Ta na treaty ma oli enya lo oli pi dojo normal oli wa na mata lo oli na jolo wo du ko mi. Other member states la who have right be what ngava denu o nyama. Ese nya goma numa. Aha. Okay, ta na afode dalole ji enya ere ji bi protest le jore Iran. Yo la mo wu. Ese nya goma. Ta kene Iran play US how few jukwalo o form treaties alo, o form alliance alo. Yo nya le do kwa. Na na jore Iran if be le jore US ha ji nyima. Ese nya goma. Numa e nata akwobe ni choye never Africa ji. We have ECOWAS. We have AU. Na ni choye na Burkina Faso. This a few weeks ago, they wanted to unseat the president. So other nations who comment about it. Venezuela to talk a job Trump va arrest president. I think Ghana Foreign Affairs Ministry we issued a statement. As a goma, many said the to as a person ye issue statement. Ghana do go do nima. Nuka na musele miesi because me member me pa me form some alliance as a nyagoma. Tana na jolo oji ni atenwa denu nyama. Yeah, Donald Trump wa for the day the Iran ji. Iran to we protesting. Be yo to yo du la yo. Ela nyama sema. Yo be ya ko yo hin ayi ni. Ogba yo lo yo. Trump as a nation, as a president to the U.S., which you run and U.S. talk, you form some alliance that belongs to one group of people. He has the right. Though you have a limit. You have a limit. May matter go beyond this limit. Hanuma nata Iran be okay fine. Element be me from 150. Element be matter go beyond this limit. That in time back we no. Adwale ni han mo enyo. Na Iran president de kwa dem be imajagwara kawi. Mala go be ya negotiate with Trump. Esenyama. Takano nya kwa dem be okapi ok Trump ya man ya negotiate. Ya kwa ya akoto ba fa ba ma kokwa. Efe ye lo be okay fine yo na na mala yimio. Tamine va kwele yo ntin yo pe agbe no ba fa ava. Akamaganye apa to play bomb nyao wabanyo. That once it belongs to some alliance with a particular nation, you have a limit, the limit lasts you. Like you have the right general and knowledge of through a diplomatic way.
Okay, ma abia. Ekpo ke Donald Trump di Caracas, baile Nicolas Maduro, de Nazaibu Mole, be Ekpo be Amerika kpona ablore be Amerika baca pau be United Nations Human Rights Secretariat. Ovapum. Obangi wong Trump la na be kaka banyet baka. Allah ben Amerika uji sebenarnya tu koi kasi gal kalau tu pakai triakola kasi pada bawa yo formadem ye China aku sebe inya tu cover vela kasi pada bawa legale ado kra China jigira Xi Jinping apu mwa de ibai ke Donald Trump Donald Trump jibanto yenye president ebe ada for the China njibo China medashi Taiwan penyamu ye obekokoko ya no Taiwan to kwanyigba plinkula ro adu oji ano ashito makobe yo we chonyigba no ta ya du oji kokoko yo gegera fmakle tu aka Xi Jinping fun ebe dakubie a fantasy penyamago America we munolola a dream dokusu de kunya kumole ala bo ho o fe o karo nchema ta UN for Human Rights Commissioner Gorombo ni a omila na na makika makata mila jojojo ala bo kore ha te nwa we ni majima sa won bede kala jibe tu mima la America sia duko kikama duko kata twenia afi ozam na nama nsema zamula na mari kikama duko kata twenia afi ozam na nama
Aw, ikama duko fi omoko tu mima musema kwa de Trump sio. Akapo Trump o Venezuela attaque owe. Enyayo mo wadanya bi. Ebe Nicolas Pe du Popula. Enna Venezuela view over 2 million citizens. Aussi jole Venezuela. Dans le US. Bada agbale yo economy ji. Ele nyama sema. Aha. Ta iye bo ba ko yo guy your bad your guy you akekpo your do come your US view di la even like Venezuela over 2 million people lawo du populota
leko zamronchi yo America ma do mola alo ro ko ba le strict ji chok ba rashin bia
ebi ami odo mo le do mo they are begging onto the states esegoma and the ami mo le di aga ba Venezuela because what feel be Venezuela magala safe na your home your Elenya mesema ye oga pepe ngbe ela asialo chami drag ele bi le drag ma am avoid ma ye ne tweto Venezuela ha straight ko keva e yo du come US ole no gbele ha ye nti elenya mesema ye yo du ko bazo abi drag point na mo which diplomatically hello US to how contigna asenya goma that to seize that la you be okay fine wa for them la ele be wa apply international court asegoma Venezuela president Nicolas Lele Venezuela view nto we jira Nicolas de asenya goma vice president yela acting fifie as president the Nicholas open security capos opio. Take now opio le doma. They were the fear the Nicholas one of Trump your battery. As I go, I think Venezuela view don't talk. I had all the camera. I find them president level on with them. I can say many do call. If you go to Trump, kaka the effect la. Trump could be the effect la near war Venezuela to all la. Effect ever no could do here. Iran talk your grammy leg here. Ebe nuka wala mo wum le gama. Desa nyama. Wala mo wum. Wala Iran to wala fukbam. Wala amebi awo protest o gbebi o ma na. Mono awo protest o. Skebe US via lokra ha o shima. Desa nyagoma. Eta if like give me le Ghana as a nation. Na wo Ghana via le by Nigeria lawfully. Example ko na ma like ma lawfully. Tell dowo ko Nigeria president. Opemu wona ona ko Ghana via lo shime. Ghana have right be I take action. You have the right. Many be kuku be na adetule Nigeria to be adamo. Attack right court. No account for the loss of life of Ghanaians. Elenya masema. Aha. Eta many be hema godu eko tumi man Trump. Kaka the effect here du koma onu wona have like USD. Have we no. But if onu have they have US citizens living in Venezuela have multi-million businesses there. That means US businesses are all to come home. Yeah, once you sign, you have that treaty, the international relation domain. Their life have to be protected. Or businesses will not protect your businesses. Because they are paying tax, all the tax would come. Those foreign nationals would come. Over foreign ministries of the nation at large la and not fight for our right to if like a millionaire Chinese businesses to get all the Ghana gear that will be a committee for president afala them president Muhammad afala them is more like foreign national businesses you all the enemy their president or their foreign affairs have the right be of upon water you will not protect that fight for open right to many who are there to attack courts. The US here, Trump here, take Trump the Venezuela to president of Ireland. Maybe been touched by a woman. I said, "Mama, kaka Venezuela to president to hire to house to vote not time no. No matter not to buy import foreign security la. And I'm not guide many Venezuela security we no guide more. Foreign security so we no guiding. See Russia also. I said, "Mama, I had to sukata wala take a formula." Because any be na wanted to come if you want to come if you to how. That trust into security how.
Da Yova Russian security o da shincho wo lialo ekpaoji alo leke nke na nyacho nyamang.
Oh, according to Historia, the US forces they overpowered them. Yes, amalo Oshima. US president to acknowledge behind personnel so which have to be treated.
Okay, tangi biama le bato nyama biama kebe ni ajojoma do doada kemelile ame hikame tukote popo ha bobote ba wo mia ba maybe North Atlantic Treaty Organization ko keke minya ba United Nations pa lo jade ngiam United Nations pa lo je ke wona ba alo dana tu ngiam ala be Donald Obama Barack Obama nye president le mai yo hia be wo de Libya pe Muammar Gaddafi da bipole ke wowe North Atlantic Treaty Organization to ko gbadagba o yike nya aloje tu da loje na United Nations alo tu ko te wa bobo ewe nya America ko choro ngsa maro ki be abale no vikene China have nanewom to cordele maybe Togo ko vali eko France have melongo leke du kom gona no galo hikaw gona no nyama ke United Nations but security human rights secretariat bobloma but nyade mele nyama ma
you see he can be fear to dey na dan ko da ko ya be ba ma apa na China ku so how to odoke US UK bi o ma no ha ucho udokwe ta akwabe Venezuela attack here arrest here akwabe countries all they are condemning it vehemently amalola they are restrained esenyagoma eta be based on where you are aligned to yene nya ajoya akwabe wa defend here elenya sema aha eta this is how it has been. This is how it has been. The fact they near more to get your Venezuela to allow Iran to come back maybe no. After the US when they have the right to a petition. What petition? Our with the drug there is advance and whatever Mr. Tamata problem Venezuela Israel play Palestine for Vuma can Trump vala Mukawa ever negotiate. Even Russia, Ukraine, told you, I'm a village. I could have maybe no alone, Manuela. The two presidents, you over negotiate as a Roma. And I feel like the community, which country can you stand in? I could look for Mayo, you're the two factions. The US and then the other nations, the US list be go after them. No more to Suniola. Now, the country can get a day. Now, then should be UK, allow China. Like China to take stand go. China to take stand go. There is interesting days ahead. Interesting days ahead. Like anyway, which be negotiations. And I left behind the table to Georgia to agree and to disagree. They could have saved me. They could have saved the nation. No, the smaller side of which is Africa, we suffer the most. We suffer the most.
Kuna ni America wo wasre fifia matem condemn ya lo bobo na nake gbele chonchi o wo ala be ke honorable kujeto black anglo bala engre gana tokatan ni biama konkongo kwenye be du kore kari atachu be kashnongle ishi adangole oshi awu du koma nokta ya ne amare mfo domna ya ba elle du kopla Nigeria to la Ghana o na gbegble shai o ina represent nke na fi mahama machobe ya yire di dedepe mbi onye le futo mena ya yire dedepe tabu onye be ya ba wona na peptini bo esekwe wodo no nyanyo nya low kwa on a case by case basis o prosecute ke tane Maduro nya accomplice na mado ekwe Maduro amero ko kona egbe vondio ala machi vondio ko eko o dana ocho Venezuela ko wakaka na America du koma amewe tano nya lama kwa o on a case by case basis nya Security Council egbe glombe nya basra fifia nyama ma cho nyama ko to kum
dengan kajwa. You see, America, na and wala blame. As it stands now, most of the time, whatever to them adelo. Point over that for Nigeria. Ekaya over
the Tule
Jogbedia. Nigeria has been living with this effect for years. Tourist man no Nigeria you kidnapping no for years. The same dukwala issue one ikra they tell me what Nigeria you take action. It took America.
Tado fiaba yo ba de tout le canwa Christo to wo chita etoa.
Not cheat but minimize. Cho yi ma that's negative ko de say edidia.
Kareje ba didi.
Edidi. You try to Nigeria be allow can be oga petition Trump be that all the
that's a blog of honorable that's a blog of no honorable Togbo Nigeria told inka a chapofu a just wo for the mono lebo that me that sinya manji the boglomba tu over that the canwa if you live in America, play Nigeria.
Nigeria president first statement. The fact they made George Nebe over bombing Amalo. the Georgia be those stories they've been eliminated. Yeah, the no yeah as a state, as a head of state as a president because na yen to dey be agayi as a state that rebuttal will be there. See, many no mean to be it got to a point in time, somewhere last 4 years, the Ghana to be Nigeria to overhaul your petty trading business will yours, retailing business. Some things are reserved for some countries. For citizenry. I want to okay include to call them and the international treaties against the deal of those drugs. Many tram vehicle was to be Nicolas Solo. They'll be fighting this for years. When you be you arrest me to apply court. See, do come most of them, though America also have in-house interests. Or interested in the maybe your business America's business will Venezuela Gama.
Bebe for amikula dog America or ku famio, ajiro famio, nyama manyaso.
Nyama manyaso. Ga Kenya New York justify be over 2 million of Venezuela citizens will America you football on it. See, when I be court la document very soon. Well, I play.
Play you play court way.
Okay, fine.
Play court banto Tuesday last week
great. Many maybe that was a call a two play.
That court ya play my international criminal court man.
Seriously, away black game.
International criminal court The Hague.
I'm yet to find the only court who
Oh yeah, you play court. They have taken their play. The whole club of the war in Nicolas Maduro played Srolenia, Cecilia, Flores Laha. But Jojo Dohomemele. So we have the news in our custody.
Yes.
But even as we do that, Nyasala, Mile, Pemba TV, Poeng Dionaji, Mimia, Nkosem, Le Multi TV, Mile, Satellite G, Alaba Mika, the Facebook, Amomianko Sele, West Africa, Kata, Central Africa, Le Europe, Akasha Pike. Satellite dish na la mojiko o miankosem ke miambe ke miakon le Facebook amia tade me so so arurami aba mi onglo ke mo na bo mo nya ba mo dogbanu mo po message bo mi o kata ke WhatsApp number de jem TV aji ha ikenye 0242670773 na le Ghana godo aloma le Ghana ko mo ke +263 na number +2332426700773 ko na ngule akpanya baga na le nyako se anya evao mejudo hia le toga lo benime ye mate English anglogo atanglo français adra mi kronge mi gomrega akhli alo na do vocal dami alo voice message dami mi haflage your fatal eye shooting triggers protests ma akonya yanchi irako mi akodon chuchu ya de mano momopom na NDC Toro have a garage our Foster Chimogwe. Your fatal eye shooting triggers protests. Tens of thousands of people took to the streets in cities across the United States on Saturday demanding justice for Rennie Nicole Good, a 37-year-old mother of 3 who was fatally shot by an immigration and customs enforcement agent in Minneapolis. The incident has sparked widespread outrage and calls for the removal of federal immigration authorities from local communities. According to the Minneapolis Police Department, Good was shot by ICE agent Jonathan Ross on Wednesday while she was in her vehicle. Witnesses described the scene as chaotic, with Good's car backing back slowly before proceeding forward, at which point the agent fired 3 shots, killing her. The shooting had reignited debates about ICE operations and the Trump administration's immigration policies. ICE violence is not a statistic, it It has names, families, and futures attached to it, and we refuse to look away for or stay silent, said Leah Greenberg, executive director of Indivisible. Protesters in Minneapolis, where the shooting occurred, marched through the streets, chanting slogans like "Abolish ICE" and "No justice, no peace." Get ICE off our streets. Similar demonstrations took place in other cities, including Washington, D.C., Los Angeles, and Chicago, with over 1,000 protests planned nationwide. Minneapolis Mayor Jacob Frey has demanded that ICE leave the city, saying the agency's presence is not welcome. And I'm quoting him, "We will not counter Donald Trump's chaos. We will not counter Donald Trump's chaos with our own brand of chaos," he said, urging protesters to remain peaceful. The FBI is leading the investigation into Good's death, with many calling for transparency and accountability. As tensions remain high, protesters are expected to continue demanding justice for Rennie Good. This is the source is CNN, put together by Koko Anumu. Rennie Good, Kenya US story nye evino akupela tovo andre evi etonoshi afiwowi amekewi beta srafo wawe detua hewi le America du comme le Minneapolis o detui alave aku ke ameke detua nkone Jonathan Ross oui le yara ke yiva yimeke meke kpongwa be a tefa enyo huna no jinto alave woto nyongu ya eto hwe ho ina rango o de tuejeton yo ku e atabo vasa ga reva jimona me o kle Minneapolis alave wo jolo journalist li ya ji o biwe le epo akere ka son l'America du kokatama ejebe yana no naijike mo mafia na Minneapolis wapo enkonye Mayor Jacob Frey Minneapolis le Minneapolis topo mo mafia Jacob Frey be yo ko jim ikanya ba ton fama jim le du kokatamo le America ronya Donald Trump nto ba for yo ma jim nya ma be no jim le Minneapolis ta de be de jisra fo kwakle de jibala la o kata yo kele yipon to ma no bura ka ban to la ba o ko do ma hi afmo nya ya nya ikema mjibe mia ajo pira ko matro na bo richard basukan jiba otonya pira ko le mi cha to ma ba mia ko do chucho piare ala ba mi trova mia zorango honorable matro.
See, Tony, Trump immigration nyawa. These are political promises we want America to. Beneva, amaloyal America, overstay. Alo women overstay fi only legally la onya ono woman. Aka yi wo le bino amela, yi back be mo le bino atradwe you would come. The amaloyal legal they are not legal. Onya amaloyal bebele America. A promise America to be ne odakone ye ba ya dawla le America. Now America view one America. The mind to put him. The America is meant for the Americans. So he will flush out all the illegal non-citizens out of his country. Promise on your one America to. Ta we need to put America no va. Moko apa immigration na call for some crowd. To the extent they officers who have not treat them amoja no dadami. That is very condemnable. It's very, very, very condemnable because look who happen no to have a no. You officer net tell me can you can you request for? I say grandma, I'll stay let me tell a request for. And that maybe state have a request for which I reject to it too. Okay, the story is not even fully following it from last night, but that's Nigeria. Maybe passing on what they would do. That there should be more to this. Like today, and one thing, now, the common view allow appointees of a government at what against their own government law. It's a good sign for the mayor to instruct the no job, but the all agents of the Iceland, Yepe Nutumola. Akobe and he's there. Ele dom na o constituency o. Ele nyago mazenma. Aha. This is a wake up call na your other nations so. Akobe no. Even na amala appoint to God that's na akra ha. Ye na ala yijime nyola. You speak to the issue. Gbonya wanu kwade. Pa tonto. Like to the extent be ICE because ICE la immigration issues is what you are supposed to
immigration customs
and custom issues. The story is not even telling us the no immigration issues that ulewumla alo visa issues that you driving license that you like fuel station police be no buy
ya ba o do shi na to yo tu je bo to to akabwara ko imagba ko ga ho wa da ku he anya
ku he kala na kemo
o reporter gbogbomba obato abana ko Victor Doshiji obato ajo na to
oh yes
e wato a kani ke amajibe awo alongi o ke ojibe akpora jibo ko akana to ko abana wato ko wa imagba eyewitness report bo ko imagba ko ga hojo ina tayo to ga hojo na bo mo che ngomeni ale ojebo watch ye tai o de to
ye de lebina adatu ya o fasami na ayi bi ai effect arrest kra ha ya me be o animal no kra ha we kede la jo akof area for many tula da odi nka defend more lo esenya government because Americans say me having adapt to be like that you are defending yourself because ehuma ya miele ye ehua number plate enti mala bi mi o mi Ghana ge kra number plate do all ka ha no di abi no di the system ka ha ma akwew esegoma the number plate direct to the person's the owner of the track esegoma eta nkai ta ba the tule ma dia no dadamla that the mayor really have to do more than they are instructed not damole your abroad they have to because they have to institute an investigation to this me feel there's more to this because na me the guy who bojo kra han you do the necessary thing when African countries allow no kafra agbe okay e joke ma ga pe hu then you call for the next action like be add to learn of you that is found of American super at times especially
against people of color
people of the not of their color
yeah
especially now let me not investigate this maybe not dollar budget to ha ko you me akola bi kat to ne ku here because that kenya ke la me soto me crowd tonto
yo nyasalo ona ko staka suka ye ma mfum parliament mi mamajong agba mi komi da gbata du ko ma la gbata mo le mi strong mo le go mi ase ga masu ba mi akodo mo jijo piare ma atrogbore ne mi azora go toni magwenya mi aklodon ku jiba number le street screen aji 2332426707773 no message so na baka na bakro na bi bona
ta strong amanu nyamuri amana magba foto gbana molo danye fomakpo yakuba hanana ma ono no galo
alele danye fomakpo yakuga na ma ono no ge
evi amalesho mukata so amalaye amana magba foto gbana molo danye fomakpo yakuba hanana ma ono no alele danye fomakpo kunya gbana na ma ono no galo evi amalesho mukata so amalaye amana magba foto gbana molo danye fomakpo yakuba hanana ma ono oh wagba nya bazo ajeye lo kwanya jitu magawa oh wagba nya bazo ajeye lo kwanya jitu magawa alele tanya fama fa yakuba hanana ma ono mogolo ebi amalesio lukata so amalaye amano magba foto gbana molo danya famiko yakuba hanana ma ono alele danya famiko yakuba hanana ma ono golo America matuo. America matuo. America matuo. America matuo. America matuo. Anale danya famapa. Yakubane na mo no garo. Irawale so mukata so hamane mu. Amano magba foto bana mala danya famapa. Yakubane na mo no. Anale danya famipa. Jonya bane na mo no garo. Oh, irawale so mukata so hamane mu. Amano magba foto bana mala danya famapa. Yakubane na mo no. Strong amano nyamuri amano magba foto gbana molo Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono no galo
Alele Daniel fomakpo Yakuga na maono no ge
Evi amalesho mukata so hamale amano magba foto gbana mala Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono Alele Daniel fomakpo Kunya bana na maono no galo Evi amalesho mukata so hamale amano magba foto gbana mala Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono Oh wagba nya baga jeye baga jeye lo kwanya dizumaga wade Oh wagba nya baga jeye baga jeye lo kwanya dizumaga wade alele Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono no golo Ebi amalesho mukata so hamane yamude amano magba foto gbana mala Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono alele Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono no golo
Alagbe papa
amalesho mukata so hamane yamude amano magba foto gbana mala Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono America matuo 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 Alala Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono no galo Irawale so mukata so hamale amano magba foto gbana mala Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono alala Daniel fomakpo jonya gbana na maono no galo Oh irawale so mukata so hamale amano magba foto gbana mala Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono Oh wagba nya baga jeye baga jeye lo kwanya dizumaga wade Oh wagba nya baga jeye baga jeye lo kwanya dizumaga wade alele Daniel fomakpo Yakuba na maono no galo Ebi amalesho mukata so hamane yamude amano magba foto gbana mala Daniel fomakpo
Yo nyasala blem pola kona mi avale ke mi wo de kaple mi le mi aklo endio na me toni magba mi aklo boko chofifia va se de ga wo me da kona mi avale ke mi wo de ka Bakplim nyataka kawo baba mojojom za le gbegbe ke ɖeka yi ke me dzi be miaga ko kpi ɖe ko afi miatrɔ ɖe miaƒe gbedeasiwo gbɔ nye nya ɖe ke ehia kaka ɖe miaƒe yaʋalawo katã dzi tso etsɔ kakaka va se ɖe fia. Mikpɔe le whowide.com ale be wode ɖe TV dzi mikpɔ eke miaƒe former finance minister Kenneth Nana Yaw fifia wotso ƒe ŋkɔ Nana Yaw ya ƒe ŋkɔ lo Ken Ofori-Atta rejects diplomatic help. Ken Ofori-Atta rejects diplomatic help. Ken Ofori-Atta ƒe nya ya me dzuge miela nyawo tso mi se gbedeasi bo li tso lele ma me ʋu va ɖo gba nya vovovowo dzɔ tsɔ kpasiakpa mi se nyawo mi ŋutɔkewo katã kple le wɔna kpa he. Ghana's ambassador to the United States, Victor Emmanuel Smith, has revealed that former Finance Minister Ken Ofori-Atta has declined diplomatic assistance while in the custody of the U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement. According to the Ghana Embassy in Washington, Ofori-Atta refused to meet with consular officials without his lawyers present. Tagbalacho, His Excellency Emmanuel Smith Bo, Victor Emmanuel Smith Bo, alebe ebe no xle gbale alo no kake le nyajojo dɔwɔƒo katã me be yewo abe dukɔkplɔla teƒe nɔla le Amerika dukɔ me ne yewo se be dzedzisrafo alo agbaŋutsidzɔsrafo alo gbalẽsrafo wole ame aɖe yi ke nye Ghana via yewo te ɖe ame ŋuti ale be yewoakpe ɖe ame ŋuti kpekpe ɖe yi ke wodze be yewoanɛ abe dukɔ ƒe kplɔla teƒe nɔla le dukɔ ma me yewo be yewoanɛ ke yewo yi ɖe gaxɔme yi ke wole Ken Nana Yaw Ofori-Atta kɔ da ɖo. Ken be yi me lɔlɔ ge ate ɖo ŋuti alo ƒo ŋu ne amewo ke tso dɔwɔƒea ƒe dɔme o elabe yeƒe lɔyɔ meli kpli ye o. The Ghana Embassy remains in constant touch with U.S. authorities and will continue to monitor the situation to ensure Ofori-Atta's rights are respected. Ofori-Atta's lawyers have stated that he is cooperating with ICE and expects the issue to be resolved swiftly. Miaƒe dukɔkplɔla teƒe nɔla ke le Amerika gbɔgblɔm be yeƒe dɔwɔlawo wogagbasiagbagba dzem be yewo awɔ dɔ kple US beta srafo kple sube ablɔɖe kple atsekpakpa yi ke le esi abe ame ene wɔbui pepepe wɔbui eƒe ablɔɖe si ablɔɖe alebe kpekpeɖeŋu sia kpekpeɖeŋu ke wota ne wodo le woƒe asime alo trɔgbe be Ghana fa yoe eyi dzi gblɔ be Ofori-Atta's detention has added an international dimension to legal challenges with proceedings ongoing in Ghana. The former minister has applied for an adjustment of his status in the U.S., which authorizes a person to stay in the country legally past the period of validity. Yisi dongo hube Ofori-Atta ya tere America dobana yo ke kona miape mozozo ya America du kome plus sube bale bubu ke ojebona ya lo borere ke ojebona be ano du koma me abe ame ke jese na wowe na gaka tugobe e gbagba jembe ona ya no du koma ba me ke le du koma me le semua me jejio ye tai puhe ovaro ke gbala obe mikake na nyajojo do kata nyama ime joge miala matrore honorable nchi Ofori-Atta gba ese gbana ya kpɔ gbana ya ke Emmanuel Smith mula
etsɔ tutu ma be 3 o'clock ma nyama kpɔ ma ne vela le pra ye seni no nyama kpɔ afi ma ye nyaji Victor Smith nyama le me nyanywe ada achim strong guys here all NPP NDC me I work with I respect him so much. You see, Tony, I'm about to see the open human rights. What they didn't know. And you know, my coffee fedel. Na Foriata reject the Pelanguye Victor Smith, the old told you are one. And me feel be afforded the old man to him apart because after them Victor Smith who party me to all le plea le Ghana. Enye ye Oklahoma. I don't know mala hold yourself. Look how any diplomatic needs your foreign needs here for your tala here gama like detention no. Kadoli ndudu agbo no akoyine. Alo wa pele nti wa ko lawyer gbagba. Abo ha ga ke hafi na etnyaye wa ba dogotwa. Ni se ho nto ha ko be for your nto ha lawyer so lesile gama le nyalo wom ne alo. Nan dudu goma yo ha esno pe viola gama pata ko dudu vene allo eta ne be e me hie na pepele mu macho Ghana du konti ota yele fan yele okela abe it is in the right direction because enye okra ha ma trust Ghana do viola gama o do la bi no ba ko pepele mu manu mo mala no ma ho jisel la afoye o de mo le prim lenye to nye di komata ya esenya goma kake enwe ke le nkunu wonu nye ale Ghana bag here nye to kale enya handle me ko seriously last week Friday Thursday but that's Saturday. But then when you media houses are local, come on, go. I mean, okay, Guy Ghana va doing ya. Be and we what them and Ghana to wasem. Ako we have three ako alakba no me blur ako belamui. Guy Ghana va doing ya this agent time. Obe dan enya evanye be obe I store over arrest or detain kind of Foriata be o passport expire who have be passport expire in February
Passport blomrado
visa come le convene be amayo all nya blom de do omanya ICE as an institution no omanya rules o ta echo alo mi dagbe afi na fa attorney general ske nye o ka pe o eski nya me ye blan fo ya tan konti le Ghana kra ho afi ye ha ga ba tro bubu ka be ke ko he glo be o license don't revoke o license o visa lo from last year July ye o ne be no one organize that in one US that's in November no wa return back to country of origin
epivia enyajojo dondo ta jebe nyamanako ta egbogbombe Attorney General
yes
Justice Dr. Justice Ayeni
yes
gbogbombe visa ikenya mozo zon pagbale mozo zon pe mode de gbane ko kone o Foriata bene zon jino in America to come o khweleshi
e o revoke
o tefrireme
yes Saturday news file
ta o tefrireme e kai June
be June July ne
e pe jimu adame le po ke ba me ke now tefrireme
that is the question
o biamelelo
e o tefrireme
o biamelelo
ita your colleague Samsilai anye ni bia bi ye wo afọ dede we na o tefrilema obi ma atan ado ma hu ni afọ dede na o tefrilema or not
kema anye ye
gake Foriata lawyers una minya bi yo le afọ dede lo won na your client no wa permanent stay le US. Ese demo bene wa we. See Tony, back to the issue.
No togbo enyami tami wure kan ta justice okay ayeni pues ikenye miafa attorney general ojiru pues senyalaga bogblombe afode da do de ita o tefride pe mozo mane pe mode de ke o home o tefride me kaka me yo ke na o tefride ma megblo okay
obi ebe one for the da ye ha da nya no 20 obi mai ma blo ma nya no 20 o ma elo ko be ma
le claro be adonya ma very good ema ha me defo fine nega nye ye alo nye na chonchi ya mehi oga kanyi o gbele me kraji ba mata ba no la pada mo de alo
o fifila ye de enya attorney general o nya we manya ka ma ga cho ho
a o ni biam le we de attorney general ataba no tibiji ko afifi ngana mia e jena na ma ye
o da la pa na mi ze ka ho bayi da na mele da la pa na ugomi ano ta mo de anya ke bomo le gbele me ne ya e kai be from the onset la open press briefing o na mi na be kan o je o government o na mi na sita orals you all retrieve and alawa ya retrieve mania it the last press release your meet the press bomb I don't know journalists are be specifically be Edgar how many nke hotel retrieve so far na du kan have you retrieve gara gara ko kenya to ogbo yi ma vai be all ga all retrieve Ghana ka ele compare ta ko edala ta ma tati ma ja gbo be nye fe na ko na la pedisi e won avanya agbo ayeni bi ko wa for the dala da le me yo ka
Ladi Samson Ladi ayeni
okay ayeni yo be o kama e ma don ti o akanya mi nkunu wonu ma dokolen nkunu wonu le dan wonu be Ghana mi va do stay dale na Ghana via le anya me le ye vutu komi kwa nye jijo ne Ghana to alo
makela hanyama
kelo foliata we le detention
dabele hanyama
ele hanyama di not only the detention your human right has been violated but we have freedom of movement on and you know our former ase go ma no manata no man hanyama we Ghana embassy ma yibe ya ye wo pepele nwa ne oni ase nya go ma ta so ele hanyale man at this particular moment
bo ele tanama ne pomema obo hiano le Ghana me le konji bajo me le konji homo elle se sien vie ye me Ghana vamu mozo gbane ke la shio ke ne mode de benano du koma le semwa ihaku
boku hado
alo te frire me nyare kalo
atoni de la o nyanyi
ne o lama ne yevu o te lama ko nyate fa de la fiare be gbale ke ji o la chiche o le la fuma e kulo alo te frire me nyave ne ma kuo ke manase azuri penya gbamo la ha atanya nyate pe
be
ala be ha gbogbo February fajimu avame afia gbala to kuku ice
badu manase winya manti ice doyo wo nye be ekpo na immigration na oji ame okpo visa na oji enye domestic ogboma get
onyamako nyaji
aha ana ice enamele ofluma the ice ye ekpo immigration na oji ave lamele be o visa expire
no be ice the immigration la fuma immigration for do o do o da lo alo me no amare no mo popo be na zomo akamare a ekpombe ya bia be we le dukwa me de le dukwa me le senwa bare ko nya gon sanami bana mozo bana ke nya passport ade wo vuma akpora be wo de mono be na no dukwa me kekene ni kene le dukwa ya me ha afi wo lewa o nane kpoka gbana ma lo mare to fifige na okoko be enya kure mo le dukoma melemo le mo manu sem afi ota you see so le club embassy Ghana embassy foreign affairs But when I say me, but US embassy, but immigration, over them o no that the jibe avle ho nyama ba woli ala bo nyengi omola o mo nyengi omole ta olido ma jejamna na ma
Tony de nyanana na domestic US department or agency allow you to have department of state what we have what we deal now with visa issues in the state.
Yes,
ICE deals with immigration. Asagoma.
Agomade la bagoma.
Agomade.
Like
immigration. I mean, all border state. Allow you come and view all the come. All border states. So ICE here have that right. Legama. That all rule nima. We are up protecting their border issues. Play. I mean, have the come and view. Like a visa issuance la. US state of. I don't know. Department of State. Well, they have visa issues. Well, maybe visa expire. Allo, they see to those aspects. Yeah, I see to their border issues. Asema. And we won't from the onset maybe. Can Malata can hold in a vagabo care department or state department your boy like. I extending allo adwava would come
honorable de manye nyama di kamo lo aka po US visa kwa iko issue visa na po le passport mo
yes
pokpoga ona visa you na aton ka kota gbono be single entry
yes
or that multiple entry
yes
agomede efia be ona visa be atemazo amo US le paton yo gbonama
yes
akene yijire ka
na
gbova
yes
nega yeka na gbova anyago meseme ta no be ne yin keke ale na gbova ta eje na gbova wo pede so amea ma dodo wombe yashi aba no America toto sorgeo sukuvio pletomo do bo visa ni po pomo le ko amea de boro jibi ashiaba no America ta o visa na go be faton kaka no now nkeke blaton benayi nava ejem na gbova miade ta visa mekpo kaka number of days iko authorize over no nya yele ku yepanyi adjustment e be lawyer ogbo you adjust
ye ma mi le wo blobe e ma ela expire in February.
No, visa anto expire in February.
Yes.
Visa anto expire in February. Kaka the number of days it was still if enya really more lelo.
Oh, visa this particular one will expiring date in February. Esegoma.
Akan keke
good. Nyanya ni medema gbonya bi. Me to fe nu wona we le ken oforiata good grounds na me. Ne ma wo ava do koyo mokra he will have legitimate reasons not to come back.
Gakere ni majiba mi tokbo na nya de politics side ade mi wo yeli aya go se ngaka majiba clarify na ne nya salon son tu amaro le visa nya america me voto le visa passport do dans les vies amadede gbemumu madede lina ye yo mo le passport ya yo stamp me ayo tire gbanre mo be fi atasomo agbane ya atano mo son pour paton yenye visa la ake ne monzo gbegbe ne monzo ma immigration to gbogbo be ne yia no fuma nkeke ale na agbo tan keke ikone ke no frata be ne no fuma ye de oje gbogbo ye pe lo yo nwule ko be yo gbagbaje be yo adjust be oga no fuma nkeke buado kaka yo mawevo afin kaka de nanye nyia ta olido enyia ngata olido
mi ye ta oleke ofori ata fifila ye you all work okay fine you all work me enye be obe edbi aho visa expiration be extend good ye ko onya ko ye magromele esegoma ye o time you o day so it's supposed to be November some time ago la expire metem wole divo hafi obaba invite you
ta nye klo nyara ka gromila
yes
okay ta pe jeje sibe number of states ale expire in November. This Santo kukuge in February.
Oh yes. And that is the story. Enya system feel like
very good. Ta fifia mi ya fa msora fuma. kefifia ayeni gbogbombe de yo kra yo honse la gbalashi hoho le June me ema no where na de kema jeje ka gbalaji o ka jeje ke lo fo mo oji
ayeni ele nyama blombe US to o visa we revoke
ta no bo revoke de
esegoma so
no revoke de eya na de kema jeje ka gbalam bare kwa ta gbalashi o no ge kaka another word dey blacklist like na ga long ga gbogbo alo shika lo ba jaja peto no blacklist o visa shi ono ge ejeje mo be more deadly no be na no to come me kaka lo computer oje a o jim la jama manya
yes
tanya ka tanya de kakwe
oho no revoke o visa ele mo vo be o visa expire
wo revoke vita fe wo te freedom kaka o ma jeje ga gbala mo ta good ta ofore ta gbala le garage
yes
kaka me nya ba o jim
system we la o revoke
good ta o jim la jama manya
good enya problem la nyim le ti dai le nya mesen ma if we ever reporter di ever Ghana gbanye bi won ka no be visa expire until Saturday hafi ayeni ba glo biteta eta
no nyama glo na le nyanya film no ro ni o le daria eji mo china chi sora people na le tai ke cho ofore ata nto ko lo yo gbo maglo be visa expire ta nyama isi ni nya ama zo mo ko de ni o nya pe me visa expire ta o to ko nyama glo mo
you matter lo gbo na be from the onset la but until Saturday la number 4 TV stations radio station la I laugh
no ama mo if you make presenters or low bloggers or masham susuema akanyi lawyer onlo de visa per expression malamoro ko be nkekene ni ko jebo no fuma nkeka de yo baba jembo adjustment na america zo mokpoko anya ba adjustment amanye visa bromla ka authorized number of stay days of stay you bono extend if you make visa galango we ayeni bobromba makata bromla yo tefre mama na magbawo tanya ka tanya de kai
eta aga avanya eveliaji nyebe ono woblombe happy galanya mabi you make the reason behind the Ghana biale hikama one of the vinegar na to lobe yo amede ka ele hikama le tepalo you know nyebiembe you know ogbonu be obene vagana oba kunu gomekli nyama ma ko yeni ma hafi galanya
ma brother ba ele hikama ha do ya mumu gonse go ele hikama leke
right now he's in detention.
Ta hika small la iyo na bele hikama.
Hikama ode na bele hikama ode. Bodum na bele hikama ode. Ale the whole embassy la ya go be an assistance. Before somebody come and give you an assistance, that means you are lack of something. Esegoma. There's another man. He needs some assistance now. No matter time, Ghana embassy to be any need some assistance. If he doesn't need anything, no matter where an assistance.
Mabionya no left shafi.
But can you shafi lo?
Togo no menye wa nyama menyo freta ba enya gloma but no left shafi. O la covid to bashime. Ye lawyer ya fuma. Alo enchi mo e ko moto ibo bele yare. Pepere ngone a.
Pepere ngone de.
Aka fiofi.
Ima ele hikama. Esegoma. Until be la prove in the court be fifi. Esegoma. Hikama wala. Because the people are going to feel like but that to adu it for the siada. That can never let move to asipo mohokwa. Ele hikama. You are restrained in a lot of things. Ese nyago manuma.
Da jijo akpomo na meje bokpo jijo.
The jijo wa nyona be your one of your own. Le hikama le you vote there. Ko anu apema anu jijo poma because of what? They never ima ebiem be never answer question to what?
Mabiolo esataye nkoko ame
ekemanya ataye no sataye nkoko
ale nya o ma bekedi amoma ta pojijo bola mo you know I don't get
apojijo be
o ta pojijo bolie
no le be no kaya na na ojijo pombe o le kenu fo yata
la bebe jedo
e
bo la fon chacha
you amele jedo yele ojijo pombe o le po akapunye akava nyanya jinto to nyama di ma bran leta he ne to ki o le Ghana le ojijo pombe o le kenu fo yata he wo fa nu wona o ye la na kenu fo yata good grounds be du kwale ke ma das de ke no for that time be never Ghana.
Oh, nyatefa.
Yes. Dengan kata ya, every amedesiade, if you feel unsafe in your country, every country will protect you. And it is in our international laws, repatriation laws. There's another man. First, Ojo Gomacho, somewhere.
Bona donya ba go yefu bona ba to wa.
Ojo Gomacho,
Bona we.
Enyam de ba
be kemi ji okomre ofura na lenchi ta na go America ma da shinchi.
Dan na to alo pe di joy opomo to afọ the day all the more. Le fo kenu fo ya tanti he. Ye bo la na fo ya ta musan. Be du ko yo mo le he. O mo la dasilenti be never Ghana.
Ke small ya di ala blore ma. Oli.
Fima oli. Na o te you court. Many is the Anthony ke olamele. The amiele gbedo. Ale afọ the be. You extend your stay.
Still, yeah.
Esegoma. Now hotel of Oleye so hotel go through the process. Your o extend o stay la. Mala Ghana Ghana at Ghana Ghana safe. I talk about dalaga kraha. Na keno for that you court kraha. Ebie. You tem vai prove kraha be nye stay vai. That can you do koyo mbe me komi koyi. Your life is at stake let come. America will have to protect him.
No, but life is at stake. I go on there.
Yes, life at stake and your baby your agbe. You for your agbe.
Maro be awia. Dobono kule tokotolia.
Ima wo afford the day all ji. But I'm here mal detention kan Ghana to hallelujah. Ghana to all hallelujah ji.
Nkatai wo gym e bien nyama do pio nkatai wo gym le Ghana do.
Me to le Ghana nya be obe wo la accuse him be edu Ghana ga.
Obi
na Zambe edu Ghana
ga.
Many gbegble yo. Na bu na zala melenti be
gaba honeni.
Oh, millions of cities of dollars. Esegoma. Maybe na amale mo ba fi wo ga kra ha. Ala suspect mo gbegbale yenti. Yele nya dim na mo pom we ala I court. Nese nya goma. Ala I court. Nepe international laws na minyabe. Even na mele ba sika salam letter pale. Ala mele me ba sika salam kra ha. Yo vala de vudu kwa lema. Yo feel be your life politically. Ella stake clear what you come. Ella be na protect you, to come ella be na protect you.
Ta. De safia de be ko furia ta be o kakan re ogbe ma lo America re ogbe ma de si afia la lo jijore e pomo amole e kwenye okuhe.
Oh, ni to e kene nya vagban kra ha be o detain ken oforiata. Ma se Ghana to la obe on fi o detain te wala deporting yo. I'm going to organize 50K men near to embassy todo. I mean, not Jolly Airport. 50K men, 50K women. I mean, Jolly Airport.
No, Ngani.
No, you Ali. I'm going to come from there straight to Sawan. I'm going to from there straight to BNI custody.
Oh, yeah, no, he will custody. Aye. No, after the day you talk, accountability ye di mi be mi le. Bekeno for yata. And you not bother Ken for yata never answer questions. Because one who allow them your party and quanti blenny. As a Yagoba. I mean, your party, the great NPP, New Patriotic Party. One for the dialogue high. I le party to be. That can foyer them yapa attorney general. A foyer them yapa NDC Messia, NDC toll, communicators all here. Ye cry like some nam Ken for yata ma brave America to. Nil America be picture and you may be cholet number be. America man dasila Ken for yata and be. Keja care for that tanto, let be a bogana. Because evidence solely what I prove be your life is at stake in Ghana. One, I say over radio up last year. Esa. Namele figure Ghana Duko, I'm in public office. Ye amie si jokra high. What for me like a radar at dawn for formal. We talk about Dalaga. OSP special warrant na mo se aji.
O to be warrant le o si.
From madagba bono ba we alo ko choko we.
For meya.
Onyame bia odo nya.
Na bo dem kra ha warrant la si wo kra ha. E kama kai na wo mu se ma bi atenwa yi. Ta ka for me. Ga to ga na. Ila be gala me lo afama.
Ga ton ya.
For me dem mo ka odi. We talk about Dalakpa. OSP ye mi to mi na o musan bena amelo won gbegble le dikome na akunu gome pleni enya se lawyer gan tontonyo ye nya be omele be na a pronounce judgment na meleji le social media mo le press conference mo na me won gbegble court ye la pra akoyi nu ka mo pe kenu for yata o na pa to ni je lawyer gan to Ghana du come lawyer gan to ye nya se ewu lawyer ma me o fi o nya hwe ne ma
awa ma gome
me nya hwe ne ma
jidudu pe
lawyer gan to nya hwe be ye nye jidudu ye Ghana du ko nya pe jidudu yi nya pe lawyer gan to ni
awo ma gome mo America du kokora kpo be atanye lawyer na ye
ye
pe
eta
jidudu a
lawyer si o le Ghana ye o chobi wa nya yo lawyer
ne amonso to mi agbo
me nya to ni general
ne jidudu trophy alo kafla le pore mo ati edu alo ba mi alo ken vaso president
America ho kpo be ye nye lawyer guy o la ke e ka me ye mi chobi ye nya to ni general ila wo mi nya o ne le Ghana ye ntotonto e ha nya le CMB but I can't pronounce I'm guilty until the court will not pronounce I'm guilty. And yaka woman blow. If you have you what a popon be, you have for the door will send nam ken for yata. Eke ga jo consider ke me but that's no consider ke ye kra ga glo nya mo. Ta ke no for yata o lawyer so Dominic Ayeni. Ebe for yata o lawyer yo elephone. You gbene ye be hafi ya na kenofuriata vaka ha ne promise you obe kenofuriata for life ele safe make the cost davo inke obo deteni ko Ghana ta gonna jijopo ma ko mi no da silenti no vagi ye in never wedding international community they will be heard wala bufo ye kro nya lesi ye ma ko be na me feel ko be ye life is at stake I will never omo na ye fair trials ola omo ga da silenti wa bawi they will keep him there. Not that we the colon wonu be Ghana ba do yi be the simple things here the so your girl politics na gie wonya be oho there's something we call asylum ye you call the sale la ho adale ye to do o mu ble o ale jijo popo yo manya ni no go mesem na o ya fo yo le bi no ade mu la fo ma bo hu dem kaka gba mo konti le TV organize press conference agba mo konti afia na me kwa ha no koti yeko wo mo le
na amade wo ngbegbele alo okpoba amade posire game okpe da prima facie evidence okpe erunle de anyi we de shimbe ame aposire game leko yona mama suspect ema obina za aka a job posire game ne jo kwa nya jojo ni ba ko nya go nsemi ne afra fia madugo fia ko amare vli nya funi ala shinye fia e job wo vli nya fun madugo TV ji mere go ta wo vli nya fun la shinye ta jojo ni aka make vli fun ma na za nya bumo le be fia fio ni o ma kpodo peji hade le won aka ngo nya job tanya jojo papaji eline fiti re sha de shibubure ga mo fi de sha de ke fi mu du ko ga kata long dunya hello ola enya jojo papaji eline
aka obabe kenofuriata vai gele central bank vai Ghana ga
jobe da sha gbana ro te na be garo yingba joa
ne maka ojo be atenwa va konu mebe be sanya gbala yale ga ke sueta me sanya la nyiki no manata mi ayi court
ta ne john ne ma be ne va a job wo beneva ye ma vava mu
e be yo la me blan e do yo
ye o ba ile de konjo no
e la pe me
ameka do don le opo me yo kachi no to pa po me do don yo le ma totom
me do le se ade la le an to la foji
e ta o je bo va
me do le se ade ha la le an wheelchair amo ke no fo ya ta me gbe be me le vava mu ese hai mele ese meda ese ale kama lebe chinchina chinkano for ya ta na vaga na hafi na apply court
menye nyama gbomile obedi vami ni me do court haroro vami akume alo va do nyaro nchina mi ebe me vago Ever way me direct mabana poganyoji. You see, never the court in the interest of the public or for the public good. Senyalo for the public good. Amanya police or like border one. Amanya police like ever police for door. Ever manya police you. Now police are there at alame akwashikwe maname. I can know the kwashikwe manama. Ugo galo ala police and you are an imposter. Akademanya police nenyo for traffic like the father in the interest of the public. In about traffic man direct man, the public good will override the law.
Yes.
As a principle of government in the interest of the public.
Yes.
That because you were a minister of finance in the interest of the public, you come. That interest of the public will override every court that is being managed by 10-5 people.
But that does not. A human right to be violated.
Many povito manyo. I demand as you, but in the interest of the public, I direct traffic. You can't arrest me. Because of that, because of the interest, his personal human right to be violated. 50 abe jedo. Wo yekum.
Yes.
Wo modem young ne. Via we mo pon zo zomboko vai. Yolo. De blemia. Allo.
Ah, blemia leo. Allo, beblanye be. Maybe can for yata be OSP. You're ready be I unveil your doque through so many medium. Ebe ne yo phone you can ya answer call.
Okay.
Video call ya answer. Maybe a viable gama ha ready. OSP have a chinchina to you look like Ghana. You have a who you love afforded all them your lamele your warm meal. I talk about Dalak behind. Ghana said na mommy be na melemelu amele one bebla. You never. Name ya drop one. Ya be ma vawe. He court na be drop one. La me awani mano. Example le me sin chonchoe. Said nam tamako. Man you wese no ko la. O mo drop one. Said nam tamako never be. We attach to airport. I this around street. Because la court pronounced Obe she should go for 10 years jail term. That's a nagoma.
If yari.
But my woman can have
them. Me come.
Enya kuma di mbo nyima tamala vaka mambo ka kenya e bro medima gba mc time ni se be na meleva na police va bi ava law na jamwe yela do nyare mo but you should remain silent ta keno for yata
you can remain silent.
Yes.
No,
but they will tell you they remain silent. Wo to egbe na do ngo ta keno for yata ata ile be mala fonu be ma comply with investigation. You have to prove nobody on a figure. You go to court.
Gakere.
And that kind of for that decide be OSP you will have comply with investigation.
OSP ata go be atui. No va bele. Senyalo. Hold on. No. Akpare ko ponale. Ataba jobe ni keji OSP chachitero. Nle de ni anyi keji o chachitero ni pomole. Afi bumna sa ba me abroshire to ko gama ahia bede OSP na dipo woko gahomare akodemegbeni ko subo mega jojira ya America ko mega troga ba OSP atanya senyago me because OSP pe do mola a police do ga lawyer for do you understand OSP do ma pokuvito CID in a way for do nyomole and you need to be a lawyer to do it because of the scale of crimes that he is dealing with. Ta lepa susuma miyama ta buna nyama blogo no kakanya be gahome ke bu gayoko de gayoko mo kosire ya ekpon ame never dey ya leader ko abale ko na won tumi ene na gahome ale na dolenchi ademagbani ikabe na khare gamata akpele ko kisino mo pra gbanu ko yo be ho fa gbanu to yo lengo dadide ne ya America ga troga ba ko you see this they are in their practice
apostle ye bro malefia be susuma do le susuma ta OSP le no susuma o ta kero for ta ba va wala
ka fia fi onye
ha ma fia fi no court ko ta ko na be nye fia fi because yes me be na me le jagokoko ku le demo na court ga ho ma ba ko beli kokoko esa nya goma menye sie nyi ma
kan ko nyi
du comme veut pafu ni ma no ba yo wo muntu ni ma
nkura ba flight risk
na suspect ya menye flight risk la
ya ma ha ko de
passport lesson
to bo ya ma ha ko de yeshibe yenye flight risk a enya ba mo le Ghana fia le party mama ke passport velocia
do that nye be akpola be anyabe passport wa me bla velesi na kwa mi o passport lesi menye be asa la me vai do ko be bla me vai for landed property ko hevel ale na de kamera mi si odi me bona ni to ye be
ameke figbon ameke fi koklo ameke hotel mo fe olo o va belo ga gbogbo oyi o ga remando jiun neni ebono a ha ba yesu nka ye chichachake o le mo ba se de fifia wo o kene fori ataya o de amode was amode shikapo jojomo dogocho amudo nyowu mia enya mene ni le chahe
o me nyowu amaleko
no gbovala
ba ke enya nye be eseye o ka wodo Ghana eseye le miesi na ko sele do wo mi amaleke mra na ya gbo onya fun se nya goma ga ke afforded dey o de nenye ofoya tanye o family member ala gbe me ga va
nenye tata yan me
because one
don call
ala no vovo le wa gbeta
so
ami me le ka ho fa gba wa fa me no do pe la fi me de ka de
bola esedo blobe no la me ko no wia
o bi mo bi obi esede de
make west na wu
esede abe
make west na wu na sepo
enya to do mo la nyode
me
no show ji pin ye to ni si to alo he o be na ke ofo ya ta me va ka yo akura yi tun gba edo gbala be tun no pleve ne yo
o ko se sepaji no na ya
ba ya bele ka o
sepaji gagama le ho ide ba yo na but that over nka foster ba no le fia inde nke Friday ba no le fia ba sepaji o gbo yo dra pe ma wo o wa
ye o do ni ma be na never jole ntoji ibro go na ko
I'll hold on
ala ka jole ko Fiji ata jole Abladi
o mebe
ata jole ya oji
bo va na ba chomi o Ghana
na gala
o gbe ibe ni e pa moyi na se biya ke bana
ke no fori ata mala vibe e aba lo guy of yo mo la contract of yo mo le aba ko fi ai na attorney general de court kokoko ayi akwa kono wo
play bargain melia
kono o facile ba mo
bargain
melia attorney general US o facile ba mo wo akwe be nu yo le npe buge o mo ikota
play bargain melia atagbo nya epe de sibanya ebire egbo galenyi
Tony melo OBMB kana attorney general US o facile ba mo ke last minute ni ba o mo vai ikota ko nya no o mi nto o mi le gbo na o mi he court o gbe facile ba mo yo fale fusu na o communicate so na ta mo lo ata na agbe yo ai do bela ai tro ogbo ai pastor ogbo ai ru ogbo do la be wa ko fo ya ta be ne ko amelo le Ghana ge ogbo do la ka ha nye be kafra na ken fo ya ta na jole di ka ha anye de jo o nya na
into
eduga
into gbanono
na
nya ka ma pura ngore
ba enye bi emale ken fo ya ta di anya ba mo lo ko anu o ki o nti shi ka le MPP party fo ma ake MPP to alo ye member MP salo ka ha o we da for ma de no de ken fo ya ta as finance minister ese goma ake meme nya do ko imbe ni za dodo onye to
ta fi anke mi no be
dodo onye to ebe no iko no panya o gbogbo le
iko ti o lagbe okay ma bialo America to leni dena ga home na na kama gbele chonchio ma je dollar ga hola mo
de se be ole noise volunteer abi ale
no nkanye noise
no kana let chama want me message na yo amogba be la chi ho ma ku keno for chama want me dogo zonva ya na mo bala
for ya ta America me kenyo for ya ta America
ese baba
menya biamo Maduro
no we le project
MPP Maduro
MPP to we le keno for ya ta project ya be ki kama pio yenye keno for ya ta na
o for ya ta de Ghana gatonye Ghana kesino tonye ayago seme wowe shi granye lele Ghana onyamele Oforiata Maduro ekenye the most oil rich president krala gahome mekenye Oforiata ma America mo voro Oforiata ncha no nya ke bunch of so it's not about noise, it's about a jason be onu gahome America ya o maklole komnu o maklole dem lenchio o jebe onu gahome America gakeme jebo gbove Ghana ala be pewu Ghana
gbogbo nyala do ngona bi setai bi o le fifila ye ne feel be gbogbo be Attorney General be Ken Ofori-Atta lawyer yo eh. Be any promise ye be Ken Ofori-Atta right his no safe never Ghana. Ese goma.
Nka ota woni ike ipe right na no violated. Lo nka ota woni.
But before you the play MPP to alo la kana me over.
Nko yin la foka.
O me la me le vai pe de ga home for more than 2 weeks.
Den kata.
Be won be blan ko de chama wutumi a.
Bon.
Masa esi de mo ne ma. Mati pebu ta obo.
Ya ke be soja o le si ne Mahama for soja no ba play for soja. Mahama wa wutumi ma banya gbonela.
There's difference between the amala no political platform jalo no pe mi akos enye se egbo mele lo. Ese gbo nyemele. Yo mele matano di agbo ta.
Wutumi ma be ye akuntama ni pona $1 million every day.
Yo
no bail 50 million meto pe wutumi ma banya gbonela.
Me that's the personality something here. Me na gbo o nyento. Kono po wutumi court fe se amala no kuma.
Yo ko wutumi court are do ba ma gadu aro ba no cho gare ba de magbe na ba mu yo ko ngo le gadranyi wo nye ta yen chi po magbe de gaji mole. Marika whatever of ma do ko ba magbe ko ba cho gale na do ko fa anyi bawo no ko de magbe ni awo be 1 million po mele gbe shagbe gamasu 50 million metena gbo ye nyaka ene be agbo cho wutumi je.
Nya egbo nyele le 20 nyem se tai eseme de mobe alabe la mele akwa mi adale beyond 24 hours so ese egbo nyemele
Okay.
Muma we la natai Ken Ofori-Atta lawyer no wo von be na that's like Ken Ofori-Atta nti ovagi o mla kwetu mo nwento mne yo la afode de yemi to de vaita egbi how gale dem when you blind people to give me feel like somebody like me like this let Ken Ofori-Atta ma do Ghana agbe join now because ela ko MPP party en continue that can no ento to le ni to ano na me say ma ahoji Ken Ofori-Atta ko ha ahoja me dey my konyon konzi. He has a name to build. Honestly, you know what we offer mon continue bla. Ka ko ma hala offer mon continue bla tai. Ogo na you never know how we na your. You never know how funya na your. You never know how let the ga home for 14 days. I you never ever be very talk ga to that no abeli.
You ebono wa bango wo akpawu Ofori-Atta to.
Court here remanding.
Ikwe me.
But no gbogbo na be yo na be. Wọ́n lé Chiama Wutumi wọ́n lọ ga ọmọ ó bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ níbẹ̀tẹ̀ bí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́ ní ṣiṣẹ́ ta.
Yẹn yóò Ofori-Atta ṣiṣitọ́ amẹ́ àtọ́ ìpẹ́yìn agbọ̀n ẹ̀ fòfó ẹ̀.
Amẹ́kẹ́ ọ lẹ̀ dùkọ́ pọ̀ fífi ẹ̀ kẹ́nà ọ̀và ẹ̀ ẹ̀ná kà ọ̀gbọ̀n ẹ̀mí ká mi dà kọ́ náà ó bẹ̀ yọ á reset. Ẹ̀ta náà kọ́ àmì kúmọ́ ọ̀tẹ̀ mi wọ̀ nùgbẹ́gbẹ́ kọ́ hàn ẹ̀ ó bẹ̀ yọ á reset yọ á tọ́ nùkọ́kọ́ yọ nùgbẹ́gbẹ́ yọ mi wọ̀ ẹ̀ wọ̀ mi yéyìí gbàgbọ́ yẹn. Kàkọ́ wọ́n bò fà nùgbẹ́gbẹ́ wọ̀ Edade your MPP to are me nya kwe to kunye be no da for nyento na Ken Ofori-Atta wa so for nyento nti me me no akwa de this be MPP as a party la we are there for accountability
Never.
no da for nyento Ken Ofori-Atta la va bia va to
Enya for nyento ka.
afọ nyento nye be no fifi o ka pe o lawyer doc na ye ni e be ye promise o lawyer be never ya pe to mo nyento mi
Akpe.
eta Ken Ofori-Atta na ko do le nya gbo if you want to high court ko nka ko na gbo no ìbọnú náà dúró bọnú lẹ́gàmá náà ìbọnú jọ láwọn bẹ́ẹ̀ òkè Ofori-Atta àdùgà nọ̀nà náà yìí jail àdàlẹ́ sẹ́dí náà tààmù kúrò 10 years ní kìí over jọ mahama lẹ dùkọ́ mẹ́gì ẹ̀ àtọ́rọ̀ jẹ́ ńlálẹ̀ bẹ́tẹ̀ náà àdí ọmọ.
Asẹ́ni ẹ̀ máa gbọ́.
àtọ́rọ̀ jẹ́ ńlálẹ̀ lò bẹ́tẹ̀ àdí sẹ́dí náà tààmù kúrò ńkọ́ akọ awùnú ẹ̀wọ̀n kàlẹ̀ káàva ẹ̀vava Chiama Ofosompofu ebi no kidnap Ghana to enyala court kind of ava discontinue nyama
Akpe mi ayicho.
enya ke all the court high ese ebubu ahin case National Signal Bureau to case from last year but that's next year Attorney General na minya say ni trouble time prosecution weakness o feka 1/7 feka your all am ban to
Yo matter honorable Monya.
Yes,
relevant show. Kudos. Yeah, good morning, honorable. All right, OMG. Well, we've seen your smiley. Dunu Augustine, Mikpo message. Good morning. Mr. Rekacho slide, but the MPP has transitioned from New Patriotic Party to Nana's People's Party, full of arrogant. Well, we have seen that message, but I don't think that's too good. All right, message Arogava, message Rekacho Teresa Boya, motion from Hohwe. Good morning, Teresa. Messereka Gacho Magibe Mianko Semle Ho Banquet. Tell the MPP man to stop lying. Mr. Gacho Hoped Bo. Good morning. I'm Hoped watching you live. Good show. Kudos. Mr. Gacho Desmond Board. Good morning, Desmond. Oforeda should come back and answer the questions answer his questions. And last one from Cafe. Good morning. Keep it up. Great show. Great content. All right. Nyasalo Kamasuba ma adoshi to Tony McBoy Promile Batome and Yakule Honorable Richard Akpasuke Yewona. Message I rob the drama boy Michel Mo La Fio da ma abiemo. Nama wecho Gandre Gafwa Bonoge. Nka kamano yanami. Bye bye.
Amanu nyamuri amano magba foto gbana molo Daniel Fomakpo Yakuba hanana maono nogalo
Alele Daniel Fomakpo Yakuga nana maono noge
Evi amalesho mukata so amalaye amano magba